What is up, A team? Welcome back. Awesome here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day, or not, depending on where you're at, but I hope it is awesome. And yes, today we're going to talk, or tonight, I guess, depending on where you're at, we're going to talk more about XRP and what that brings to the table today. We got a lot of things to talk about. As you guys know, the price has been pretty stagnant for the most part throughout the day and into the evening here. Something just came up and into the evening. And so I guess really what the thought process is what's the next steps going to be for the remainder of this week? Do we have any positive news? What's the big things? And as you guys can see right now, the 12-hour chart, I'm gonna pull up my chart here. The 12-hour chart on the XRP is actually looking pretty good. We are into a nice little, we just moved over at 6 o'clock. We moved into a new candle on the 12-hour chart. It is in the green. We finished off the previous 12 hours a little bit in the red right there, but overall looking pretty solid. But I just want to say what's up to everyone in the chat here. We had a lot of people popping in the chat earlier today over on YouTube, so I just would go down and just say what's up to everyone. There, you guys have been just chatting it up, but I appreciate you guys rating that chat before the live even started. So yeah, Tony Punch, appreciate it. Kai, Cyber, XRP Colt, everyone over here on TikTok, what's going on? Everyone killing it over here on TikTok too. Thank you. We have 74 people already watching on TikTok. Just want to say appreciate everyone on TikTok. I finally reached over 10,000 followers on TikTok. So thank you to everyone over there for all the support. And we'll continue over here on YouTube as well. Jimmy Cutlet, thank you so much for being a new subscriber, man. Welcome. And CRC, what's going on, dude? Just bought more XRP. Wow, okay. Rito Burrito, what's going on, buddy? Good to see you, man. Seiko Hunt, we got Adam L in the house. Yeah, don't sell, just give it to you. All right. I got back and forth on TikTok and YouTube when you show graphs. Okay, all right, Raquel, thank you for doing that. That's cool, man. Yeah, appreciate that. Appreciate all the support, guys. Sui going hard. Yeah, it is. Sui is going pretty hard right now. But the question is what are we doing with XRP? Obviously, I want to talk about XRP price today. Obviously, this is the highly talked about on the channel here. All indicators are actually showing this to be very, very, very bullish. So I said bullish or bearish. There's some things we're going to talk about today that are pretty bearish, but depending on how you want to look at it, it could be bullish. And it has nothing to do with XRP, but there are some things that came out in the tabloids that I think we should cover. One of them, obviously, is the more the decentralized side of things, and that's Uniswap. I think is super something to really look at is these decentralized platforms going into the bull run. As you guys know, alt season comes. That means a lot of altcoins will be purchased on the decentralized side of things. And so these DEXs, like a Uniswap, like a SushiSwap, these market makers are, some of the cryptos to at least, start researching, if I should say, because those are the ones that actually do perform pretty well in these altcoin markets. Also, there was another thing I want to talk about today, and that is, I do know I have a couple people in here. I think Making True Money is probably the number one person I know who was part of the whole Magic Eden thing. So we'll cover that as well a little bit. But yeah, how much XRP? So right now you can see it's actually on the 12-hour chart. And this, I'm actually glad that Kev actually told me to bring this up, because this is an indicator that I didn't share on the channel yet, because it's just one of those where it just sits there. But I mean, it's a good indicator to actually look at. It's the RSI over here. And really what it's about is seeing whether something's oversold or undersold, or where could it actually turn to go up. And hey, thank you so much for the what is that right there? That is a fest crown. Oh, thank you so much, Honey Badger. I appreciate that a ton. Thank you. You are awesome for that. And so that's really what it comes down to, is really where does this actually turn? And right now, if you're looking at the chart, it's actually at this moment in time, this is actually undersold. If you're looking at the 12-hour, even on the day chart, you go to the day, look at that, dude. It's on the day chart, it's even undersold. So basically meaning that this has a chance to move up into this nice gray area right here between what they call the 80% and the 20%, which is really where the strength grows. And then once it gets above the 80% line, then you start to see where it's oversold, which is right here. And it then starts to fall back down. And so right now we can see that we've been undersold on this since going into Thursday. So Thursday to, what is that? Wow. If you actually look at this, since Thursday on December 5th, we've been under the 20% or under the 20. And then now we're still under there. If you look over here, it's almost anywhere from like a 10 to 12 day period. Right now we're honestly Actually, tell you the truth, I think it's on an 8-day period. If I look, let's see, that's the 3rd. We'll say the 2nd through the 12th. Yeah, so you're on about 10 days. So it's about a 10-day curve. So right here, we're about 5, and now we're out here about 12. So yeah, we got about 10 days. So I mean, we're talking 3 days maybe before this thing starts to get back into above the 20%, the 20 number, or the 20% level. And yeah, it's gonna be super interesting to see how this plays out. But I guess where I'm trying to say is that that's actually, to me, this is more bullish than anything, even with the price being the way it is. Like, that is a bullish sign. That's on the day chart. On the 12-hour chart, still right there, it peaked above it. But again, if you're going to do any longs on it, you want to look at the day chart. The 4-hour chart looks a little bit different here, but this is on a shorter level. So you got to think yesterday at this time, so December, or actually it would be, Sunday the 8th, you can see right here, it came down and it took about a day for it to get down. So we're right here on the 12th, which is today. And so by tonight, we're probably going to be reached down here into the Friday the 13th. And so I'm thinking by tomorrow, we could be on a nice little uptrend. I'm hoping by tomorrow we go on the up. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, I'm talking about XRP, Aiden Fox. Yeah. So that's kind of where I'm at with it right now. So I like I said, appreciate the hell out of that for people just being here. I put up a poll over here for you guys if you wanted to take a look at it over here. So it's just really asking the questions about where people bought and stuff like that. So yeah, appreciate everyone participating on that. So let me scroll down a little bit. Let's get in here. I did see that guy entered the chat here with his $2 kiss. I appreciate you, that guy. Thank you so much, Terry. Always showing love to me, man. I appreciate that a ton. Shib Army, Bills. Thank you so much, man. Another $20 donation by Shib Army, dude. Wow, he's you're killing it. I appreciate it so much, dude. And thank you so. I can't say enough, but I just appreciate the donation to the channel. You guys are awesome. A-Team is amazing, man. And again, thank you very, very much, dude. And then I think Terry has the $5, the 5 gift. He gifted 5 memberships to the A-Team. So again, Terry, thank you so much. Make sure if you got the gift from Terry that you say thank you, that guy. Cybermedic, we got Dom, we got JP, we got Table Rock Guy, and Yekwang Young. I think it's Young. So yeah, thank you guys very much. Make it true money. I want to know if you're in the Magic Eden. I think you were sort of the Magic Eden guy. I want to know if you actually got your airdrops on that whole thing. So when will it hit $3? We're now in the next 12 hours, which we've had basically 24 hours in the red. Now we're starting to come back down. Chances are, I mean, looking at this, I think that we could probably maybe continue. Like, the averages could come up. Like I said, if I had to speculate, we could keep going a little bit in the red here. But if you look at the 12-hour chart and you look at the day chart, I mean, we're definitely under purchased. I mean, really, if you look at the chart right here, I mean, this is a very bullish. I mean, for me, that's a bullish sign. So, $3 sounds like a nice profit. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of people probably taking it. So Austin, Pudgy Penguin costs more than a Bitcoin. But again, Mike, thank you so much, dude, for the $20. I really do appreciate that. You rock. I appreciate that, James. How massive a bull flag do we have? This is a really big bull flag. On top of that, you got, like I said, you got the pull, you got the flag. So there's that playing into it as well. So again, it's up to you to decide whether you want to pull a trigger on something like this. These are very bullish signs. Again, we don't know what the markets could bring. We do know that this week has actually been pretty good for crypto. So we're going to continue to obviously, be bullish about crypto. There's nothing really that I'm too bearish about right now. So again, Shib Armory, dude, thank you so much for the $20 gifts to 20 members, man. You are killing it right now. Holy crap. Yeah, no. And everyone say thank you to Shib Army if he gifted you a membership. So say thank you to him. Let's see who we can find here. We got, oh my gosh, you guys are going off the rails right now. We got James Weatherby. We got Wesley Carter, Vincenzo, I think I said that right, from Da 50, Patrick Barati. We got OG, Tyburn, Dinkman's Music. We got Fraternal. We got Warsaw. We got Nick Manzi, Bitcoin Wolf Cub, Brad Overstreet, Sensel, Chuckawamba. We got Albert C. We got Michael Bartholomew. We got Poncho. Grim Reaper, Celinda, Chris the Phone Flipper, Anonymous one. Dude, thank you so much, man, for those donations. And on top of that, dude, I gotta roll down here. I gotta roll down to that guy, Terry again. Thank you so much for the donation. We are donating this up right now, guys. Absolutely insane on the channel right now. We're breaking records for memberships. I'm not gonna lie, this is insane. But you guys are freaking amazing, dude. We got Habit himself. We got Rasmus Anderson, Chain Reaction. We got Michael Pomeroy. It's me, the Crypto Mario. We got Power Genetic AI. All right, Power Genetics. We got Tony. We got Art Magic. Art as Magic. We got Matthew. We got what is that called? Mara. I think it's called Mariel. Something along those lines. And hey, guys, make sure you guys give that guy say thank you to him too for the gifts. And you guys are, dude, you guys are spoiling me right now. That's crazy, dude. Wow. Wow. And then we got Fred Flintstone up in the house here. Appreciate the $5 donation. Eating the dip up like a fat kid in a candy store. Yeah, dude, that's amazing. Right now, I think this is you know, I'm honestly, I mean, these are really good signs for me coming into tonight. Like I said earlier today, I was a little bit like, we'll see what happens. This dropped down to 231 at one point during the day when we were streaming. It went down to like 231, and then it's hovered around the 234 range. It's obviously done pretty damn well to hang in there. So, wow, we got another right here. We got Killer Whale Productions. Killer Whale, thank you so much for the five more gifted AT memberships, dude. You guys are amazing, dude. Lee Cummings, Brian Wolf, Stepping into Grace, Supawa, what's up, man? And then we got Jaden Johnson. Make sure you guys say thank you to Killer Whale Productions, man. You guys are spoiling me to death, man. A-Team for life for sure, man. You guys are badass. Honestly, this is you guys are killing. You guys are great, man. Wow. I mean, people probably coming on stream like, what the hell is this guy talking about, dude? Like, he's just like naming off a bunch of people. Like, what is going on right now? So bro, where you been? Hey, Global Crypto. I've been around, kicking it. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for the donations on that. Honestly, so appreciative of you guys for doing that and gifting 18 members a membership. That's super, super cool of you guys. Patrick Young, dude, thank you so much for the $25 Canadian, dude. Is DAG a good project? DAG is actually, I was looking at DAG. Someone brought up DAG the other day. They were bringing up, who was it? I can't remember where it came from. He's talking about Constellation is the project. It's well outside of my $100 or my 100 ranked 100 level, but it's definitely been around. It's really talked about. It's obviously pretty far down right now on the chart of where it's at. It's up about 140% overall. But yeah, it's something I have looked at. Do I own any? I do not, Patrick. I do not own any. But it's something I have looked at, and I do have it as something I have, as a potential for sure. It's there, but I haven't purchased any of it. So just to give you a heads up on where I'm at with that. So and plus there's really the unfortunate thing is there's nowhere, even if I wanted to buy it right now, I'd have to go buy it on the decentralized side of it. So there's that as well. And then on top of it, I don't have a KuCoin. They dropped KuCoin from Washington State, so I couldn't even touch it if I wanted to. So there's that as well. When will RLUSD be launched? Does anyone have an idea? We're hoping by tomorrow sometime. I'm hoping tomorrow. That'd be awesome going into the weekend. But some people are saying it's probably going to be next week, which makes sense too. I'm okay with that. DAG's on Uphold. I do not mess around with Uphold, dude. That's one thing I won't mess around. I'm not a big Uphold fan. I'm sorry. Like I said, it's nothing wrong with it. I just haven't had the greatest experience with it, and I didn't want a KYC on that platform. So that's really what it came down to. Channel memberships are spreading like a, oh my God, Big A. I'm not even reading that, dude. Solo, watch your toe. Nah, you guys are great. You guys are great, dude. Honestly. Tony O'Connor, Ava, bro, up 200%. I know, dude. That has been killing it. A lot of people, a lot of you guys have brought that up on the channel here. A lot of A-teamers, a lot of people on TikTok have brought up that as well. That's been absolutely sending it right now. So yeah, kudos to anyone that got into that as well. And what he's talking about is this bad boy right here, as you guys know. Oops. He's talking about Aave. Let's see here. This thing has actually been on an absolute tear. I'll give you that. This thing is in the top. Oh, where'd it go? This thing is in the top 30 right now. It's this bad boy right here. You see right there. This thing's up pretty damn good. Up 43% over the last 7 days. Is this the one you're talking? I think this is the one you're talking about, right? So yeah, been pretty damn good. Thank you so much for the $2. Is this the one you're talking about? Up 200%. Maybe I'm thinking about the wrong one. That's one I had in my head. So, but yeah, thanks so much, Connor. I just remember who was streaming the last 4 years during the bear market. There's a lot of other people streaming during the bear market. That's for sure, dude. Iron Lux, how long did it take you? What did I say? XRP, long time holder. Yeah, we have a lot of long time holders. Love your videos for XRP news. Oh, appreciate that. Yeah, I'll keep trying to put out as many as possible. Can't see. Yeah, Chuck, you got to come over to here to actually see it. My unfortunately on TikTok, I can't. I have all Apple products, and TikTok doesn't work well with Apple. So XRP can't seem to get any traction upward. Yeah, I think the news, and I think people who know, I don't know why, but I think right now looking at the charts, I mean, obviously right here, this is a really bullish sign. Obviously, we're sitting here, looks like a bull flag coming up here, and I think there's a lot of positivity coming in the market. Like nothing's really worrying me about the market at all. Dad Constellation has its own wallet. That's legit. Yeah, not trying to drive and text. Sorry. Oh, you're good, making true. Keep doing you, boo. Keep doing you, man. Manny plays with E. Wow, cuddle time again. Appreciate your $2, bro. As always, man. Manny plays with E. He's been a long time A-teamer for quite some time. The price targets are so crazy. So many YouTubers with clickbait titles. Thanks for being authentic. If I do clickbait, people think I clickbait my titles, but I think I try to give reason and substance to why if I do something like that, like I said $5. I think I had $5 on one of mine, or I said $5.89. I've done those before, but I think I try to really give context to where that comes from. So I do appreciate this because although it does seem like that, even like the burns today, we were just really talking about the reason for everyone talking about the burns. And so I could get where people could look at a thing and go, this guy's clickbaiting. But I think I'm just trying to, I would put that out there, but I'm trying to give reason as to why this is even a conversation. So yeah, I appreciate you for pointing that out. Thank you, man. Anything new ready to explode? Yeah, well, except if you are, there's a couple products out here that just dropped here in December that are already on Coinbase. And, they've obviously been hurt pretty bad. So we'll talk about those. I mean, there's a couple projects like Magic Eden that dropped, and they've had a massive cluster of their airdrops, and it's caused their entire project to literally lose 50% of their value. And it's on Coinbase, dude, which is insane. Y'all don't buy all these random coins. If you have a big bag in the volume ain't there, you ain't gonna be able to sell for the profits. Yeah. Again, XRP code. That's speaking of liquidity, right? I mean, liquidity is a big thing that people forget about. So Justin, thanks so much for the $10. Sharking on XRP, got a few hundred more, holding back until the great whites come out. That's a good one. I appreciate it. That's good. Thanks so much for the $10. Yeah, we're all out here, waiting for this. I mean, we've been waiting for a long time for this to happen, and so here we are today, still talking about it because again, some of our largest bags out here. So yeah, thanks again for the $10 donation. Is it 30 or 45% to an 80%, depending on where it starts? Where I start my charge. Oh, you're saying it needs to get to a 30 to 45%, 30 to 45 to 80%, depending on where I start my. Oh, okay, I get what you're saying. AVAX. AVAX. Okay, yeah. VeChain, a good pick. I like VeChain. Yeah, I like VeChain a lot. Shiba Army coming in with the $20. Okay, last donation until next screen on XRP. I appreciate you a ton, dude. Honestly, you've been holding down the donations like crazy, Shib Army, dude. Like you are a G for doing that, and I appreciate each and every one of them. You don't even know. So thank you very, very much for all your support, dude. And I'm sure a lot of the A-teamers with your donations to the A-team memberships that's great, man. Again, appreciate you a ton. That guy. Any chances it actually drops below $2 again? I don't have like I said, it very well, there could be a shock in the market that I'm not anticipating. I don't think a lot of people can look at this chart and say that they would anticipate this would drop below $2 unless you have this massive sell off in liquidation. Again, that liquidation event was record breaking liquidation event. That wasn't like a normal, that was way outside the norms of any sell off that we've ever had. I think I've actually watched a few people that have been in the crypto space since like 2015 that have said they've never seen a liquidation event like that. And so that broke records for how much was liquidated in an hour on this event. And we're talking about the event that just happened to bring XRP down to 190. And the one positive thing about that 190 dip right there was how resilient that was for the buybacks, dude. Insane amount of buybacks came in on that. So again, people bought this up and it came right back up because, you know, obviously it's a good investment for a lot of people. They're already up significantly on their back. I mean, people that were able to buy that 190 right there, that had buy orders in at that 190. I mean, right now they're sitting up almost 22%, you know? And I say a lot of those people were whales. I mean, they probably bought millions and millions. And next thing you know, I mean, you know, you're at 22% up on a couple million. That's a lot of money to be up. Ledger for the cold. Yeah. Ledger for the cold, buddy, right here. I should get a freaking link, dude. I should just get a link. I should become an affiliate for these guys and just give you my affiliate link. I think I've already sold like probably like 50 of these things in the last like 3 days, but I haven't set it up yet. I don't really care about the affiliate link. Here's the $10. I'm not gonna be like, go to my affiliate link and click on it. I don't care. Just yeah, that's cool if you guys go get the ledgers. All I care is that you get the ledgers to make sure you guys' stuff is protected. I could care less what they send me. XRP Army. That's how engagement farming works. Clickbait titles. Don't hate the player, hate the game. I guess if I do, like, I mean, I guess I just talk about what the topics are, and if it might look like that, dude. How much is a ledger? It's like $75, maybe $79, I think, depending on what it is, US dollars. So, yeah, pretty cool. It's the best cold for me personally. It's the best out there. So to each our own. Mastermind hard at work as usual. Mr. Krabs, thank you so much, man. I bought it 50 cents. Dude, that's David. That's the best price, man. Well, you could get cheaper than that, but that would be a good price too. So I get that. Let's see here. Shib Army, a real G. Yeah, he is, man. The whale gods are speaking loud and clear. They require a dump to 190. Yeah, you got to think though. A lot of these whales, obviously, there's some people that are trying to short the market. There's some people that are trying to do longs on the market. There's people that are taking, they're playing against each other, right? So you're gonna have people that are gonna take out leveraging to make this go up. There's people that are gonna have leveraging to make it go down, and they're fighting against each other, right? Good versus evil. That's how I always described it. And it's a matter of who's gonna prevail in this. And honestly, right now, I think, I mean, you can see just over here, just recently, right? I mean, we had a nice little downtick here in early November, and then we had this nice little rally. This has actually been what they call a flag, right? We have a chance to break out. This has actually touched this 334 area a lot, right? It's touched this. This is the most touched area in all of. That sounds really bad. This is a really onto and hit the marker the most. So once we break out of this, whether it's downward or upward, we're going to be in for it. But right now, you can see we're mostly on the downside of the of that volume right there. So, but we're pretty flat. This will be interesting to see where this goes. For anyone wanting to know if a good time XRP buy, yes, now is a good time. Dip your toes in DCA or up or down, but it's going to go back to new highs. Terry coming in hot today. Terry coming in hot. He's giving out his predictions. I know Terry can read charts, so appreciate that. That guy. If RLSU fails to launch, we should see a sub 200 or $2. It's not going to be failed to launch. That's too big of a profit maker for them. Is this a full time is it full time for you, bro? I see you always live. Yeah, this is my full time gig. You know, I stream. You know, I day trade. I do a bunch of things. So yeah. I don't know if it's a good thing that you see me all the time live, but I mean, I guess that's kind of cool if you see me all the time live. So I appreciate that. Yeah, and Bitcoin's actually looking pretty solid too, right? We base our stuff off of what Bitcoin looks like. And so even if you look at Bitcoin, right? Look at Bitcoin. Look at this, guys. This is still. Let me get Williams' comment out of here. But look at this, dude. This isn't even at the 50 mark yet, right? And it's just breaking out. So Bitcoin actually has a chance to do really well again here in a minute. I mean, this has been undersold basically over the last what is it, since Tuesday, November 24th. We've been driving up, but I mean, it hasn't really gone on its spurt. You can see right here, right? Look at that drive. Look at this drive over that these nice little rallies. We haven't had that yet, dude. It's been up and down, almost sideways trading for Bitcoin as well. I mean, it hit let's see, it hit that 96 level. The first time we hit that 96 level was right back here, and what was that? November 21st. So, dude, that's like almost 20 days ago we hit this 96 level. So we've been in this 96 level for almost like, I mean, shoot, that's a long time, dude. 10 would be 21, 20. So we're almost in for 22 days, dude. 22 days in this 96, between 96 and up. I mean, it's going to, we're on a nice trend right now, and it's going to, I feel like it's more towards a breakout than it is towards a downtrend based off of everything showing here. So yeah, we're in 4 days of in the red for Bitcoin, basically over the 4, and it's really small. So last time we were in 4 days in the red, we had a crazy run. We basically went from 90 or 66,000 BTC all the way up to roughly, in that run, we went all the way up to roughly 90, what was that? 99, dude. Yeah, that's wild. BTC was at 89,000, the same volume market cap was XRP. XRP may see 24 at the same market cap, right? DK, I'm with you, dude. We did the math there. I think so too. And XLM's great. I like XLM a lot, dude. XRP doomed? Oh, no, absolutely not. I don't think it's doomed at all. Just watch that documentary with BTC, Bonnie and the Crypto Clyde. Did you really, Samo? All right. The ledger has to be heavy. You don't need to push anything, Austin. Yeah, no, I know. Big watch. I know. Anything is good starting point. That's true. Anything is a good starting point, dude. Anything is good. Just get your feet wet. If you're new to crypto, just getting your feet wet is probably the first step, right? You got Gary C fudding XRP, but would anybody be surprised if that $50 million buy it was for his friends? Oh, XRP cult. I'm thinking about buying more XRP. I'm sure any time right now is going to be a dumb time to buy. Like I said, I think there's more positive signs than negative signs, but I mean, to each our own on this. Like I said, I'm not here to tell anyone. I'm just showing you guys the trends. It's obviously, go look at what a bull flag looks, or go look at what a bull flag looks like. Very similar to what we see right now. You can see that we are, based off the RSI right here, we're definitely under purchased at this moment. And, we've been in this area for literally almost 12 days in this area. I mean, we've been up and down, but mostly in this area for 12 days. So at some point we're going to have a breakout. And I guess more signs based off this are leading to some form of uptrend. I'm not saying it's going to go crazy up to $3, but I'm saying it could go back up to where we saw this right here, which is, 260, which would be a not too bad of a return, right? If it went up to 260, right? That'd be like a 10%, 12% return. So to some people, that's actually good money, especially if you put like a couple, $1,000 in here. Thoughts on Doge? Doge is good. I like Doge. Killer Well, thank you so much for the $10 donation to the channel along with your membership donation. Dude, you're awesome for doing that. And I really do appreciate it. Thank you very, very much. And I'm super behind on the chat. I just realized that too. So thank you very much, though. I can't get a ledger. I spent all my money on crypto. Hey, you could buy a ledger with crypto. I think they accept Bitcoin. Actually, I told you, I don't know. That's funny though. Every day was an XRP stack day. Yeah, I would agree. Are we going to be touching other areas? Yeah, that's bad. That's bad right there. That's funny, dude. You streamed earlier today when I was at work, and then now, are you at work right now, Ryan? Do you think XLM will go up with XRP? They very much are very similar in how their charts are. Look at the chart right there. Look at the chart right here, and look at HBAR's chart, dude. Very similar. And HBAR is actually, look at that. This is the day chart. Look at, it's really on where it's at right now. It's down there, and this could actually stay down. I mean, We started on the downtrend right here about December 9th. So that's 3 days in. 25. So we could be down. We could be in this area. Honestly, we could probably be in this area for another couple days, and then have a nice little, nice little rally out of this, to some degree. So we'll see how this works, because this could drop down even further. It could get into like the 1 or maybe even the 2 area, but so far it's starting to flatten out at the bottom right here. So again, these are all indicators. This isn't like, this isn't like, and I had the thing over there. This isn't like science here. I want to make that clear. This is just indicators as potential either downswings or upswings. So I work part-time at a mall. Nice, dude. Brian Connors, thanks again for the $2 donation to the channel. You guys are amazing, dude. Thank you very, very much. What do you think of H-bar? Yeah, Carlos, yeah, we're H-bar. We all like H-bar here. Every day XRP is not 333. It's like getting something on sale. I kind of like that. That's good. I kind of like that. This could be your last chance to buy BTC under 100K. Dude, right? 10OC Eco Man? Shoot. You never know, dude. This thing, when this thing goes ripping, it's going to go ripping. I mean, you have Eric Trump out there telling you that him and his father, Donald Trump, believe that it's going to hit $1 million per Bitcoin. Should know some statistics, bro. What are you talking about, DK? What statistics do you want to know? Percentages wise, like what are the percents? Is that what you're asking me? What are your thoughts on Moonwell? I don't know if I know enough about that, Julian. I'm gonna be honest with you. TJ, thank you so much for the $10 donation. Thanks for consistent info. Ready for XRP to rally. Seems weird to say being up 200-ish, but you know what I'm saying? It is, right? Being up 200 is being up 200 feels good. You know what I mean? You're like, I mean, you can't be too upset with it, and it is nice to have that feeling. And a lot of us are up pretty big on XRP, so it's easier to talk about, especially when I'm like, oh yeah, it's. I mean, when you zoom out, it's like really not that bad. And again, we're all down here buying at the 50-cent mark. I did do a poll over here. Let's see if I can open the poll. We have 1,000 votes on the poll right now. I said, so we have 20% who bought below 50 cents. 20% bought anywhere from 51 cents to 99 cents. 23% are from $1 to 199, and 38%, dude, that's the biggest part. 38% bought above $2. So yeah, a lot of people on the chat right now are on that verge of like they're slightly ahead of their bag, maybe just a little bit. If they bought above $2, we're about, so let's just say $2 here. So so we're above roughly about anywhere from, so you're like, some of you were up like 16-17% on your bag, and some of you were down. So, again, creating a DCA moment, especially if you bought it like 260. So like, let's just say you put let's say you put $1,000 in at 260, which is about right here, which a lot of people seems to be 260 where people bought. And then it's right now where it is. You're going to take 10%. You'll basically take 10% off where your bag's at right now if you were to DCA in again. Again, that's one tactic to do, is to DCA in so that you average your cost out. So you're not stuck at 260. So that if this does pump up to, let's just say it does pump back up to 250, you're back even at that point. Okay. Then at that point, you're like, you know what? I don't want to be in this token anymore. I'm going to sell for, I'm not going to sell for a profit. I'm going to sell just straight across, or you stay in it and wait for it to go. I mean, it's really up to you. Or you DCA so much into it that your average price is 240. This goes to 250, 260 again, and now you're back up significantly. So yeah, it's just a matter of how you want to do your trading, matter how you want to actually enter into your positions, or where you're at in terms of life, money, and all that kind of stuff. If you made a plan to DCA. Dranos, what's up, buddy? And TJ, thanks so much for the $10 donation. Dranos, hey Austin, do you think about the Sui link, etc.? Don't lock in too much on XRP content. The market is giving up opportunities. Oh yeah, dude, there's a lot. I'm, obviously with Sui, you guys know I've said I was in that. I was in Sui blockchain. Chainlink's really good too. Obviously, I actually do not own Chainlink, but it is a good one. But you're right. I kind of do focus. Kind of hyper focus on my bigger bags, that. And Dranos has been here for a long time, so I appreciate you looking out, dude. Yeah, I don't know enough about Moonwell, dude, to be honest with you. Boomer Sumer's in the house. Nazman, what's up, dude? Cybermedic, I searched you on YouTube several years back to see everyone saying to buy Bitcoin. XRP sounds like the same thing, and I'm super excited. Yeah, it's a good thing to search a lot. It's a good thing to search back and see what people are saying. You know what I mean? We've been talking about XRP on the channel for a long time, dude. And I'm not the only one, but there's a lot of people out there that do it. Yo, can you look up Chill Moo for us? Chill Moo. I don't know what that is. What is HBAR's full name? Hedera? Yeah, Hedera is the actual what it's called, but it's called HBAR for short. Hedera. Cardano for sure. Yeah, Cardano's good, cat. I like Cardano a lot. So, yeah. Let's see here. Or you buy them now and it's 220 next week. Yeah, then you have to create another DCA in, dude. I mean, like I said, that's what happens when you buy at an over leveraged price. You try to DCA your way into a position. That's why you don't take all your money and put it into one crypto. You shouldn't go like if you have like $5,000, that's all you got. You're not gonna you shouldn't go put $5,000 straight into it. You should come off a little soft and go in. You shouldn't go hard in. Bro, which country are you from? I'm from the United States, man. Seattle, Washington area. I'm bullish on XRP. Wait for the launch of their stablecoin. Yeah, stablecoin's gonna do. It's definitely gonna be exciting. XRP team played a big part in building Shibarium. Shib is a great coin. Did they actually help with that? Yo, Austin, just joined the stream. Have you discussed Link? I have not. Link actually did really good. They partnered with Coinbase. If you guys know, there's some news out there with Coinbase, and that's why Link is going nuts right now. We can actually pull up and look at Link real quick. But yeah, Link's going pretty crazy because of their partnership with Coinbase. Yeah, Chainlink's one of those AI cryptos out there that seems to be doing pretty good in the space. But they moved up. They're up 24. They're up almost 25% in the last 7 days. Just today alone, they're up 20%. And like I said, as you guys know, there was some pretty good news coming today with their with what they're using with their cross-chain stuff with Coinbase. So they're integrating the Chainlink CCIP for the seamless cross-chain token management. It came out yesterday. So that's where a lot of people were actually talking about this yesterday, I think is what they were talking about. And people were asking about it. So yeah, it's a pretty good deal. And it's a cross-chain interoperability protocol, CCIP. So yeah, this is really, really good one for anyone else out there. XRP back up to 235. So it's this is, like I said, this is I feel I'm feeling pretty secure with it right now for sure, based off what I'm seeing. I saw Muff mentioning it earlier. Dude, you're awesome streaming as many hours. Yeah, Ricardo, I appreciate that. Yeah, I put in some work, that's for sure, man. How sick is he? You guys are wild with the Muff thing. Maestro, thanks so much for the €2. Dude, check 4 hour HBAR and XRP are bearish. Yeah, that's what I was doing. We'll do the 4 hour. I was on the day chart looking at it, but there's the 4 hour for XRP. There's the 4 hour for, dude, the very similar charting, dude. Look at that. Almost to a T, dude. I actually tell you the truth. There's actually one red candle off, but still, like almost, dude, like almost to a T. Even the 4 hour chart right now, we're gonna probably stagger down. This is probably gonna continue down here. Probably hit anywhere here, which is probably another. Let's see, that's XRP. Let's see what HBAR is. Yeah, very similar, even on the RSI right here. So maybe come down a little bit. It'll probably stagger a little bit up and down, and then we might have a nice little run. If you only had $100, how would you divide it? If I had $100, I'd probably find a crypto that I like and probably put the whole $100 in there. That's probably what I would do. Now, if it was like, just because I feel like, if you're going to get $25 in there somewhere, and I would make it an established crypto, just so you don't lose it, even though people want to put $100 in some meme coin out there and hopefully get 100,000 off of it, which is very, very unlikely. I was told I need to sign up with the QFS. Yes or no? I don't know, dude. $100 pull a slot machine. You guys are wild, dude. Indicators like an oil check, light coming on. You know, you eventually have to change it, but you usually. I like that. Now that's a good one, Ryan. Yo, Austin, just join the stream. Have you discuss? I just read that. I don't know why I read things twice. How come Trump doesn't hold XRP? Maybe he does, Rito. We don't know. Maybe he does. I'm Taduki. Thanks so much for the $5. SWFTT, can you please check the chart? I have no idea what that one is, dude. I have no idea what that is. I appreciate the $5 donation, but I don't know what that is. I probably won't pull it up, but I appreciate the donation. If someone else wants to look at it, they can for if they want to. But yeah, I don't even know what that is. Swift TC. And again, thank you so much. Hey, what's up, Austin? Just joined. What's the American AI coin, William? Good question, dude. Danielle, good evening. Sorry I'm late. No, you're good. Stopped at In-N-Out. Oh, dude, In-N-Out burger sounds bomb, dude. Did you get that? Did you get that protein style, or would you get? You get an animal style. I don't mind XRP chopping, so I can DCA. Yeah, I'm with you too. If it keeps going down, I'll work my way into another position for sure. Top 3 that I have. Oh, my top 3 are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. Pretty boring, but I mean they've done wonders for me, dude. Estimation of highest price for XRP will go. Well, I've already said that I can see it definitely getting back to the $5 range and then into the 7 and 10 for sure. I don't if that anytime soon. I don't know, but I definitely see that happening though in this next run. Highway Nikki, thanks so much for the $5. Ledger Nano X does not support iOS. Do Nano X, but the Nano X does. I don't know. Hope this helps. Yeah, Nano X does. Yes, and I haven't used the Nano X Plus. So yeah, make sure it does say it's compatible. I think it actually does on there. I think it tells you what it's compatible with. If you go to buy it. So yeah, good looking out there, Highway Nikki. And thanks so much for the $5, dude. Appreciate that a ton. Can anyone help me how to put XLM and HBAR on my Trezos? Either of them show up in Trezor's suit like XRP did. Neither of them do. Oh, that's interesting. I do. That's Trezor. I don't really know a lot about it, Trisha, to be honest with you. Someone else in the chat might have one and be able to talk through it with you. It's a good time to sell. I bought at 250 to sell now and buy again if it goes lower. Yeah, a lot of people are doing that. But we'll see this as this continues to sort of flatten out here. This will continue to go down. The only way this is going to change course is if this starts to go up. But if it stays flat like this, we're going to continue to sort of trend downward like this. And then right when it hits over here into the under the 20, we want to start looking again for this on the 4 hour. But again, I'm trading on the 12 hour. The 12 hour showing me that this is actually looking a lot better. So I'm up 150K on XRP. Dude, I'm up a lot too, dude, and I'm not selling, so there's no way I'm selling it, dude. I want mine to go into millions, dude. And again, if you sell it, I feel you break that opportunity. So that's just me personally. I mean, I've held this long, dude, and I want mine to turn into millions. We're not in crypto to make a car payment. At least I'm not. I'm in crypto to make good money. And good money to me isn't 100,000. Good money to me is like millions. I know it sounds crazy, but I don't think we're all here to get there, right? Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe we're not. I mean, I spend hours looking at charts and spending my time and money doing it so that I could, so my kids and everyone else, my family could have a good lifestyle and live a good life. So that's what I always do it for. But I mean, to each our own on it, right? Maybe some people do just want it maybe some people do just want to be able to pay off, a car, and that's, and hey, then that's cool. Like, that's best. That do you, man. But I would never want to look back and see, that I sold my stuff for $150,000, and then 10 years I'm kicking myself in the ass because that's now worth 15,000. Or sorry, we're now worth 15 million. My bad, 15 million. It's smart to sell and take profits this bull run, then rebuy back in when you re-enter the bear market. Aaron, I think it all depends on where you. It's up to you on your strategy, man. Yeah, if that's your strategy, I think do it, man. I I think a lot of people will do that, but then again, a lot of people will probably just hold through, like a lot of people have. I mean, I don't think that people are really too worried about it. There's a lot of people out there that aren't going to trade, aren't going to do that. So most people don't have won't have the energy to do it. So it's a matter of just set it and forget it. That's a lot. I mean, that's the Michael Saylor mindset. So, and it hasn't failed him. And I mean, I've been doing it for a long time, and it hasn't failed me. So if you're gonna take profits, never sell everything. Yeah, definitely don't sell everything. Awesome. Don't forget to touch the base on DEX. Oh yeah, we'll talk about that for sure. $2 average is a great price point. Yeah, I think so. Got Roger in the house here. What's up, Raj? Are the only I like that. Are the only real quality alt in level 1, 2, and 3 technologies? I don't know if I know I mean, I mean that's really what you want. You don't want the fake alts out there, which are mostly memes. Link is ripping. Yeah, Link is ripping. I'll give you that. XTC is good. Philip, I don't know, man. I feel like it's probably going to come out next week. If I had to guess, I'll be shocked. I mean, if it comes out tomorrow, I'll be super happy. But I think I'm setting my my hopes up for tomorrow. Maybe even after the price when we get the FOMC, after the FOMC meeting. Even the Jasmine shills are now SHIB shills. They do anything to steal XRP clout. Oh, is that what's going on? When you say the Jasmine shills are now SHIB shills, oh, like people that talked about SHIB are now talking about Jasmine, which are now talking about XRP. Is that what we're talking about? XRP, Cole? Am I reading that right? Thumper World, thanks for becoming a member of the A team. You are now part of the channel. I appreciate that a ton, dude. Thank you very much. Long-term investing is the safest strategy. Oh, dude, that's how I look at it, dude. You don't have to stress about it either, especially with these good cryptos, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin. I don't stress at all, dude. Now, 4 or 5 years ago, yes. When you're jumping into crypto when back in like 2018, 19, then you're like figuring it all out. It was a little bit stressful. Yeah. So anyone new to crypto, I know what you're going through. We've all been there, dude. Bro, what's the deal with Coinbase? Yeah, I heard a lot of people are having an issue with Coinbase. I haven't had an issue, dude. I keep looking at it. I don't have an issue with it. Hedera is good, man. Isaac, thank you so much for the $5, Isaac. Thank you for the donation to the channel. I really, really appreciate that. The beginning years were the best. I don't know, man. I took a lot of lumps at the beginning of the years. I will say that, Tyler. How much XRP is good to have? I think just getting it started, user, is the first step, and then figure out what's best. Is SHIB or Doge any good anymore? Yeah, I think they're gonna be fine. They're established. Over time, coins increase because of transfers. Yeah, whenever you're comfortable with size. I'm so far behind, guys. Thanks, Austin. No problem. We got 5 chain links. Let's see how to establish XRP. How established? Oh, XRP is like well established, bro. Are we gonna buy on this price, or are we waiting for it to dip some more? I'm very. I mean, like I said, I'm pretty happy. Like I said, this right here on the day chart for XRP is like looking like it's undersold. The 4-hour chart is looking like this so I feel right now, what I want this 4-hour chart to come down, which would be, I'm hoping right around, because this one started on the 8th, came down by midnight. So I'm thinking that this is going to come down by midnight. We're going to come right down to here on the 20 marker. And I still want us to be like right here on the 12, which will bring us right down here on the 12 marker. And on the day chart, hopefully we're still down here under the day chart. And I think if we get there, that to me is like, that to me is like where I might pull the trigger on something like that. So I'll probably gonna, like I said, wait till even midnight tonight, looking at the chart. I'll probably be laying in bed looking at the chart. And if I see that happens, what I just said right there, everything coming down to this 20 level or below, then at that point, I think that's enough for me to probably say, okay, I could probably put a couple thousand into here and see if I can get a nice little swing trade in on it. And again, if I miss that swing trade, I'll put another couple thousand in on a DCA, knowing that this is going to come back to some degree, right? You don't hit it every single time. It's an anticipation of what you're trying to anticipate the market. Everyone's trying to anticipate the market looking at the same stuff. And so if everyone's looking at the same thing, you're trying to jump in front of the other person. And yeah, sometimes you miss it. Sometimes something catastrophic hits, massive liquidation happens. Who knows what happens, right? No one can plan that. All you're doing is looking at indicators to try to find the best entry point possible. That's all it is. And sometimes you don't hit, man. Sometimes I don't hit. And if I pull the trigger tonight at midnight and it's at 234 or 233 and I pull that trigger and it goes down to 225 tomorrow, then I'm the first to say, hey man, I missed my my hit on it. But you know what? I have a plan to DCA my way into my position again and make a profit when the time comes. So that's trading, man. And like I said, if anyone out there says that they hit 100% of their trades every time, it's a lie. They don't hit up 100% of their trades every time because they're taking just as much of an educated guess as you and I are looking at this chart. So if they're out there saying all the time, hey, I always win, I'm look at how much I won, I'm always this, I don't really believe a whole lot of that. So I do believe that people win. You just don't win every trade. It's nearly impossible to do so. They'll either DCA their way in to win, right? So you could win that way, but that first time they don't always win on the first click. So I hope that makes sense. I couldn't free up funds fast enough to grab the big drop. Yeah, it's tough too. That drops hard unless you had some limits in there. You know, how are we looking? What's your thoughts on XRP current? I think XRP is looking very bullish, dude. So I've said that. Yeah, I think it's looking very bullish. You're still live. Let's run a 24-hour stream, dude. I would need some caffeine, bro. Pun intended with your name. I need like a lot of I need a lot of sleep and a lot of caffeine. What's the price you're looking at? Right now, like I said, I think if you're looking at the indicators right now, I mean, this thing could probably drop back down to anywhere from that 233 to 232, maybe into 230 by midnight tonight, which is about almost 5 hours away my time. And that's where I'm going to look at my indicators again right around midnight to see where this is. And if this starts to go up before midnight, so be it. You know what I mean? But I think we're going to start to see this come down because if you look at the 1 hour chart, we're down below. If you look on the 4 hour chart, we're actually trending downward. So I want this to actually come down by midnight to sort of hit this 20 on the RSI. And then the 12, you're actually below this. So this might come back down and hit the 20. And then on the day chart, you're going to actually hopefully hit the 22 on the day chart. Or sorry, you're going to come up and hit the 20 on the day chart as well. So yeah, this will be interesting to see how this plays out. I wouldn't sell if I bought 250 DCA, just DCAing, bro. Yeah, that's a good way to do it, man. XRP on the 4 hour showing me an inverse head and shoulder is going to come down and hit the 225 and shoot up. Yeah, and that's what I said. I mean, it's probably going to, you're saying on the 4 hour chart, showing you an invert right here. So he says showing him an inverse head and shoulder. Oops, I keep pulling it down. So he's saying it's an inverse head and shoulder. So, I mean, you know what, dude, it's kind of. I bought 17K XLM. Crap, that went away. Where do you think the bull run is? It's a good question. I don't know. So yeah, I don't know where I would do that at. But yeah, it could be in, you could look at an inverse head and shoulder too, whatever you want to look at. But yeah, I appreciate that comment. I DCA out, already took my initial investment after 4X. Damn, Toby, do you think, man? That's good, dude. Austin wants a wife changing money. Stupid. Hey, Nasman, thanks so much for the $5. All I can afford is 300 XRP for now. I got to throw my bag when I can. Thank you for all the info. I appreciate that $5, man. And yeah, 300 XRP is good. I mean, you're sitting on what, 600, almost $700 in XRP, maybe a little more. That's that. Yeah, I mean, you're sitting pretty damn good right now with XRP, dude. Can you tell me which indicators you have on? Yeah, we're looking at the RSI. We're looking at the volume. I mean, we're looking at all the 10-day through the 100-day EMAs. We're having the volume chart up. We're looking at the volume oscillator at the bottom along with the RSI. And yeah, that's really what we're looking at. Generational wealth. Hell yeah, dude. Adam, thank you so much for the $5. Can we talk about that new Hawk-Tuazone coin though? Oh my God, bro. I appreciate your $5, dude. You're funny, man, Adam. Yeah, I don't know what there is to talk about that one. That was rough, dude. How much XRP are you sitting on? Enough to make me a very happy man. If we hit $7, we hit $7 to $10 on XRP. It's gonna be next level, bro. I'm 61. Just need a few years worth. I get you vintage USA. That's what my dad said. He's like, yeah, just I might not be here in 20 years. I'm like, yeah, it's kind of crazy when you think about it like that. Shit, I'm in Washington State, 100K. You can barely shed oh yeah, I'm with you, Jag. I'm with you, man. 100K, you can barely own a shed, dude. It's expensive here, bro. 100%. Going long? You going long? All right. For XRP, I take profits at $3 price. Okay, depth. Neil Johnson, thanks so much for the $5 super sticker, man. I appreciate the hell out of that. Thank you very, very much. Hope you switch into the new OFS recommendations. The Federal Reserve taking over XRP. I don't think they're going to take over XRP. How much XRP should one have? That's really, I think just getting your toes wet is the most important thing. Yeah, I'm in to learn how to make a living out of this, pay my bills. Yeah, that's what we all want, right? We all want that. And I'll tell you this right now, just so that anyone's new here, because obviously we have some good new people here. The quickest way you're going to lose your money is to go invest in a shit coin that just launched. I just want to put that out there, dude. That's the quickest way you're going to lose money. I know people want to try to sell you on a dream, but that's the quickest way you'll lose money in this space. And so I've been through it. If I could save you the heartache, that's the first thing I would tell you. So that's why you'll never see me shill a shit coin on this channel ever again, ever. Because I just don't think it's not beneficial to anyone investing in it. Not saying that they can't become good. Pepe came out of nowhere, did well, right? And I'm excited if everyone wants to, go do that, like do your thing. I'm just saying that it's just a tough road, dude. You'll barely hit any. And some of you guys could hit some and do really well. But I mean, there's a lot of you in here that have been here for a long time. And I know that we're all in the same boat with that. Do you have crypto gains and residual income with subscriptions? Smart on your part. I wish you all the best because you are. Oh, I appreciate that song and dance. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's hard work actually. I spend a lot of time doing it. I spend a lot of time, obviously streaming, content, all that kind of stuff, and then obviously having a family and kids. Like it's a lot of energy, and I appreciate that, dude. Where do you see XRP in 5 years? I see XRP, obviously still being one of the top cryptos, competing. Need to stash some cash. CA XRP, or maybe that's California, or maybe it's CA. I'll call you CA XRP. Thanks for becoming a member of the A team. You are now a member of the channel, and I appreciate the heck out of it. Thank you so much. Coinbase is scamming people. Are they really, Brad? Yeah, I told you guys. One thing I like Coinbase. Doesn't mean I think you should hold your money on there. New subscriber. Hey, welcome, dude. Welcome. Thank you, Austin. I would donate, and I'm just trying to pay off my car. Hey, do your thing, Dana. Do your thing. You need a home for a wife, and I need XRP prayers. I'm so sorry. I'm behind on the chat. I'm actually like 10 minutes behind on the chat right now. The FTX fallout was scary time in crypto, and then the USDC pagan in March was scary time. Been mostly good since mid 2023. That is true. It has been actually pretty good. I've been so mad. I've been trying to buy the historic dip 3 days ago, and all my banks blocked my card. Damn, Dranos. Sorry to hear that, bro. That does suck. That's rough, dude. But I know that pain. XRP and taxes. Yeah, you could have some taxes. Is it best to buy from Coinbase and transfer to a wallet? That's typically what I do. Is having Pepe as a wild card a great idea? I mean, I have Pepe as a wild card one. Established meme coins, I'm all for, dude. Let's talk about that. Let's actually jump into that while we're here. As you guys can see right now, Coinbase is listed GigaChad, right? Never bought GigaChad. I know a lot of people that actually did buy GigaChad, and they're probably super excited about this. I never purchased it, so there's that. The other one right now is Magic Eden. So Magic Eden got listed on Coinbase. However, Magic Eden, if you guys don't know, they are a Magic Eden is an NFT marketplace, just like oh my god, I can't even think of the damn name all of a sudden. Why did I just brain fart that? Oh my gosh, you can tell why I completely hate NFTs because they've been the worst. They've been the worst. OpenSea, that's what I was thinking of. OpenSea, they've been the worst purchases of my life. NFTs have been like the downside to crypto for me. I can't even tell you why. It just is, okay? So, yeah, OpenSea. So Magic Eden has their own NFT trading platform, and they got listed on Coinbase. And as you guys can see, this is what happens, right? It gets listed on Coinbase. It's at $10, dude. $10 on Coinbase. Boom, goes all the way up. This thing gets listed at $4, goes all the way up to 10. they have a catastrophic failure with their airdrops. And that's why I was asking if anyone here actually got the airdrops or partook in the airdrops with the NFTs for Magic Eden. And as you guys can see, as of right now, over the last this just launched, dude, but over the last day, or let's actually go 7 days here, maybe even 1 day, we're down 16% on the day. Down over the last 7 days, we're down 62% on their bags, dude. So you can see, I mean, even though you have an established crypto out here that makes it to Coinbase, this thing is now down 62%. This is actually this is ranked 161 in crypto. It is an actual established NFT marketplace. So they do have a lot of income that comes into what they do. And the token's obviously just newly launched token that got onto Coinbase. But this is going to have to come out of a hole. I guess what this is saying is that this is if you were to invest in this right now, you know, it would be obviously a risk, but there's a lot of people on Coinbase right now that would probably buy into something like this because it's at that $4.03 or 30 cents, and they think it could get even higher up there. So again, that's another one that we're talking about here. How do you report taxes? Do you just put it on a coin tracker? Do coin tracker is where you want to do it? I'm going to try to catch the chat here. Brian Connors, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. Really, really appreciate that. Thank you for becoming a channel member. Very much appreciated. We got Killer Whale Productions again. Thank you so much for the other donation, dude. Moved from Auburn, Washington to Boise, Idaho. Best decision ever. Seems like no brainer if you work from home. Wow, dude. Yeah, boy, my sister lived in Boise for a while, dude. I visited over there. Yeah, seems like a nice place. But Auburn, Washington, dude. Yeah, that's awesome. Not too too far from where I'm at. So yeah, good old Auburn, Washington, man. Did you you grew up in Auburn then, I'm assuming? So, and then we have, let's see here. We got Michael BTC with the 20 gifted memberships. Dang, bro. Appreciate that a ton, dude. Wow. Let's see what the names are here. If I could catch up here. Sorry, I'm glitching out. Hopefully I'm not glitching on your guys' side. I feel like I'm glitching. My computer's glitching. Oh my gosh. I can't see who they are. I feel like I'm glitching out. Okay, let's see here real quick. Hold on one sec. Let's go back. All right, let's see if I can find it real quick. Sorry, there we go. Let me see if I can find the name. Sorry, guys. Trying to find the names that came in so I can welcome everyone to the A team. We got Chris Undermine. We got Biden Body Double. We got Clap Clap. Robert Hicks. RJ. We got Wags. We got Lazar. Scorpion. Animate. Alex. Steve did that. Eric Heisler. Make sure you guys say thank you very much to Michael BTC for the donation to the channel, for the membership there. That is awesome, dude. Yeah, that's fantastic, dude. Debbie Kennedy, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team as well. Really, really appreciate that. You guys are all now officially members of the A team, and I'm super excited and appreciate each and every one of you for joining today. So yeah, sorry about that. We got lagged out over here. XRP is not on the move. It will not split, and the market cap was already high. Yeah, we'll see what happens, man. You know, we have a lot to look at with that. But yeah, the Magic Eden thing is kind of crazy here. So I want to say that Coinbase listing dumb stuff, meme coins, no SX, Shell. Yeah, right, Trent. They are listing some weird ones, right? Look at the whale alert on X. A lot of XRP moving. Dominant. Yeah, I was just looking at this today. So I also wanted to bring this up as well from an XRP standpoint. So you got BTC transfer from an unknown wallet to an unknown wallet. 4 hours ago, you had a pretty good amount going to an unknown wallet, into an unknown wallet. So a lot of people were saying, what were these transactions right here? So this actually came out. This is pretty good right here. It says Ripple moves 380 million to unknown wallet. It says, according to the post, Ripple transferred 380 million XRP worth about 915 million to wallets, and it gives you the new wallets. It said Ripple paid a fee of 0.0005 XRP. Dude, that's barely any. It says, although whale alerts labeled this receipt address unknown, data from the top XRPL Explorer suggests that Ripple might be the owner. The company activated the wallet with 70 million XRP on October 2nd, 2023. So they're saying this is actually coming from the owner, the XRP, the ledger or Ripple, I guess is what I should say. And that's where it's coming from. But what's crazy about this is the amount of fees, dude. They transferred over. So the overall cost of moving 1.88 billion worth of XRP was 0.000545 XRP, which is about 0.0013 cents to transfer 1.18 billion dollars. And to do that the same, if they were to do that the same, I think they actually put, yeah, if they were to do the same exact amount, it would cost them about $3.5 to transfer the funds on Bitcoin network and about 1.48 to transfer it on Ethereum. Again, that doesn't seem right though. It seemed like you'd have to pay some gas fees in there, but I mean, that's what they wrote down, which is kind of crazy. Is holding in DCA more ideal than taking profits and buying back in on the dip? I think it's just a different strategy, Jesse. What happens is people, they feel like they're going to enter into the market, and they might enter into the market at the wrong time. They're not looking at any of the indicators. Okay. So they'll just say, like, you know what, I'm jumping in the market right now, 234. And then, in 4 hours, this thing goes down to 225. And you're going, crap, dude, I just put $1,000 in here. This thing goes down about 10%. So I'm down about $1,000, or I'm down about $100. And you're going, crap, dude. And then it drops down again. And next thing you know, it's at, you're down another $200. So now you're down to, from 1,000 to 800. And you're like, okay, well, I guess I'll just wait for it to come back to 235. Well, some people don't want to do that. Some people say, you know what, I have another $1,000. I'm going to put another $1,000 in here. I'm going to buy it at that, we'll just say it's a 20% dip. So now they're buying it back at a 20% dip, and they're buying obviously more XRP for that price. And so now you're bringing your average cost down from 235 to say, 220, from 235 to maybe 225, or 235 to maybe 222, or whatever the price is. And so then when that price, you have a less gap to get back up to profits. And then, when you get back to the price, because a lot of these do bounce back, right? This one came down to 228, then bounced all the way up to 245. So you have a chance to get back to your profits is what it comes down to. And so it's just a different strategy than waiting for the bottom, because no one's going to ever time the bottom perfectly. One person's going to time the bottom perfectly, just like one person's going to sell the top perfectly, right? Because that one person is going to cause the downward trend, just like the one person at the bottom is going to cause the upward trend. So, you can never time. No one's going to ever time it perfectly. Yeah, Giga Chad, that's wild, dude. Do you hear about Texas saying that they want to make Bitcoin mining capital of the world, dude? Highway Nikki, I'm on board with that, dude. Stay positive and tough, brothers. Yeah. Stay positive, dude. Remember who was streaming during the bear market and who just came out of nowhere for the views? Yeah, I figured you were probably right that hey man, I stream when I want to stream, bro. That's just what it comes down to. I appreciate you coming here and making the comments though. It's good. Let's see here. Hope everyone is well and looking forward to seeing what the news is today. Yeah, dude, Corey, everything's good, dude. Yes, Hamba, will be interesting to see how ISOs move and when Trump takes office. Yes, it's going to look good. It's going to look good. Smash the like button. Appreciate you, Song and Dance. Yes, we have roughly about 1,000 people in here watching right now on YouTube. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Subscribe if you guys want to. And we have over 265 people over here on TikTok. Yeah, appreciate you guys all being here today. If you guys want to, I am over on YouTube. If you want to come over and check me out on YouTube, I can't share my screen because of the Mac stuff. But if you want to, we're over here looking at charts and stuff like that. So let's see here. Hold on to your XRP. And I don't know what that one is, Lou. I don't know what the other one is. All-time low. Trying to have a big bag and see it drop 10%. That guy, that's rough, right, dude? That's a rough one. I feel you on that. Should I buy more XRP right now or wait? I'm waiting a little bit. It'll probably be midnight before to be honest. I'm going to wait for this to come down. If you look at the trends on this, you look on the 1 hour chart, it's looking positive right here. The 4 hour chart's the only one that I'm a little wondering where this is going to come down to. It might, hit this the 20 level here on the RSI. We'll see what happens, but I want to try to match it up because last time this came down below the 20 was around midnight last night. So I want to sort of see where this goes before I make a decision. Hunter Preston, thank you so much for the $2. Austin Garland House appearing on Rogan. Is that real, dude? I said I hope that actually happens. Whether that does or not, I don't know. That would be awesome if it did happen, though. If Garland House got onto Rogan, that would be tremendous. You rock, Austin. Thank you, fellow German Swede. Oh yeah, dude. Appreciate you, Dana. Yeah, fellow Swede over here, man. That's awesome. Yeah, I streamed well over a year. I streamed a long time, dude. Yeah, I did. I appreciate that, Adam. Yeah, I already smashed that like button. Appreciate it. Yeah, hit that like button for me. Let's go back and look at the. So we've had roughly 1,500 more people have voted, dude. So yeah, still 37% bought XRP above $2 on the poll. Almost 1,600 people voted in on that, and that's a lot, dude. Wow. 0.42, good price on XLM right now. You're the goat, Austin. XLM, I mean, this is still looking right here on the 4 hour, right? I'm gonna wait for this to probably come down too. These charts with XRP and XLM and HBAR are they're matching, they're almost syncing perfectly. So again, look at the 12 hour, right down here below. This has been basically under bought for quite some time now, right? When you're looking at this based off volume, then you go over here to the day chart. Definitely down below, right? It's coming down. It hit all the highs up here, and then look, it came crashing down. Now it's below the 20 marker, all the way down to the 6. And then the 1 hour chart is showing that this is below, and then the 4 hour. So I'm waiting for this to come down. I think this will come down, and probably by midnight, right here, probably by like right here about midnight tonight, or midnight tonight, we'll probably have a better idea of where this is going to go with XLM. So if you're looking for like an entry point or a swing trade, it's probably not going to be till midnight. Which if I had to guess why the trading's that way is, let's see what it is in South Korea. 12 p.m. So midnight would be about another 4 hours. So that puts them right when they get off work. When everyone gets home in South Korea is when they start buying the chart. James, thanks so much for the $5. How much do you personally think 1,000 XRP coins will be worth in 2023? If I had to take a guess, I mean, I'm hoping, dude, I'm hoping by in 6 years from now, dude, if we're not, I mean, I'm hoping we're in that $20 range, dude. Which is not outside. I mean, honestly, that's not outside that's really not outside the realm of possibility, right? We looked at this chart multiple times. Right? We've looked at this multiple times. I think this is always fun to do, obviously, is look at to see where market cap could be. Could you say, okay, so where can we see this? And if I say by 2030, I can see it getting to $20. That's an 8-time multiplier. That's, to some people, that's not that sexy. That puts it at a $2 trillion market cap by 2030. But I again, that's 6 years from now. So I'm hoping by 4 years from now we're sitting on this, which is an 8x from where we're at. Which again, some people it's not that sexy. Some people are like, that's not worth it, right? So what is it at 30? That's about a $3 trillion market cap, which is a 12x multiplier. So you can keep going up this, and can it get to a $3 trillion market cap? If we're trying to grow our market cap on a global scale, and with someone like Trump in office, I think that trying to make America Bitcoin's capital of the world, being that Ripple is also an American company, I see Ripple doing really well, holding $3 trillion of the total cryptocurrency market as we continue to drive up all of crypto. Yeah, it could be really good. So we get it. We can't rich together. Yes, that's just based on the market though. 100%. Crypto Junkie, thanks so much for the $20 donation, man. What's up from Lake Taps, bro? Oh, Lake Taps, dude. I love I spent a lot of time out of Lake Taps, dude. Love that place, man. 80K XRP strong. Just waiting to tell my boss to dude, heck yeah, bro. Yeah, did a lot of work out in Bonnie Lake. Obviously, spent a lot of time in college out at Lake Taps, a ton, dude. So yeah, I love that area, man, for sure. Welcome, dude. There are a lot of people here from Washington, more than I thought, and I appreciate the $20, man. Thank you so much. The RLUSD pump will happen when the stablecoin launches. I think so too, Cloud99. I'm with you, dude. Can we airdrop crypto to each other like we do picks? Yes, you can. You pretty much can send. I don't know about airdrop, like I could send you a pick, but I mean, yeah, you could probably send. You could send. I could give you a wallet address, and you can send me. Give me, and that's possible. Thanks for answering the question. No problem, John Garland. No problem. Usually runs around 3 a.m. That seems to be about right. Do you know which cross-chain XRPL is going to work with? They're working with Ethereum. Ethereum's like the first chain that they're working with. And then hopefully, like I said, they're going to work with, Tron's interested, even though I'm not a big fan of Tron. You got Cardano that's interested in this as well. I'm sure every one of these blockchains are going to be using XRP. Oh, you're saying XRP? Yeah, using the stablecoin with XRPL. I was thinking about RLUSD when I read that. That's who they're going to be using. RM laughing. I know you like Ledger, but Tangem secure, safe. I don't know enough about it. Someone in the chat was actually just having a hard time moving their XLM and their H bar over, so that's kind of worrisome. But like I said, I haven't used Tangem. What's the best? When best to buy crypto? Usually it's my time. It's usually in the, like midnight to like 3 a.m. here on the Pacific Standard Time. Best time to buy crypto is around that time. Maybe even in the morning time, maybe like 5 a.m. ish. Seems to be sort of what it is. What do you think about Talent Protocol? I don't know enough about it, Tommy. Do you know which cross chain? I don't know. A new subscriber and to the market. We bought a lot of XRP, and a CryptoPunk friend said, but Polkadot instead. Thoughts on this? I'm from Seattle too. Wow, Elizabeth. Well, that's awesome. Another Washingtonian. I'm more of an XRP than Polkadot. Polkadot's actually. I mean, we've had some friends who are in on Polkadot, and they are actually significantly down on their bag from Polkadot. I'm not a big Polkadot fan. Not saying it's bad. I'm just saying that it's kind of this thing went on a nice little tear. If you pull back over here, right? A lot of people in 2021 bought Polkadot, and then right here in the $20 range in 2022, and then they're still holding. A lot of people are still holding their bag up here. It hasn't quite reached back. People were hoping that it was going to get back to at least $20 by this time, and so a lot of people are sitting at this 20 marker right now. So yeah, it's pretty. That can be kind of a crappy situation. I gotta my thing's lagging. I probably gotta close this down real quick. Sorry, let me close some of this down. So yeah, there's that. That's the one thing. Is the only downside to Polkadot is that right there. So a lot of people are down on their bags still, and it has being that we're in alt season, being that a lot of people, other blockchains and other things are doing really well. Polkadot's kind of lagging, I guess is what you can say. Karen and sexy. Oh my God, Kai. Or a song and dance. Let's see. I'm from Seattle. Henry Baker. All right, dude. Welcome. Yeah, we got a lot of Washingtonians up in there. How much is the supply again for which one, dude? I'm sorry, I'm a little behind, Adam. Are we talking about XRP? We're talking about Polkadot? Which one are we talking about? Coinbase probably thinks I'm the biggest XLM whale alive. All I've ever bought there is that. Oh, is that all you bought, Cool Cat? That's awesome, dude. Reaching $20 by 20 is theoretically possible. I think so too, Ramos. Like if we're not like trying to overdo it, if we're trying to think like, okay, this is actually something that we could do, and if it's above 20, then we're all excited, right? That's the whole thing. Lucky, yeah. Thank you so much for the follow. Do you have an exit plan for XRP? At this time, I do not. My original exit plan was $3. We were buying a crap ton back at 30 cents, and I always said on the channel, if it got to here, I'm gonna sell at $3, because that would be a 10x from where I bought it. But that was 3 years ago, and here we are 3 years later. I became a lot more well in tune with the market, and you become a little bit more patient. You become a little bit more seasoned, and yeah, I have no desire to sell XRP. So your thoughts change and your exit strategies change the more you stay in crypto. So I live in a third world country. My cardboard walls got wet and are falling. Need XRP to rebuild. Yeah, if you call Texas in like a 5,000 square foot house a cardboard, I don't know, Terry. I have Tangem wallet and no issues. All right, so Mandrick has Tangem and that's no issues. Notice Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and XRP go up and down in price exactly at the same moments. Well, a lot of the crypto markets hedged off that. I mean, the markets follow each other pretty closely here in America. I mean, we're looking at this same chart, and I mean, they follow each other pretty closely. So what do you think about HBAR? George, I like HBAR a lot, dude. RLUSD will instantly go to 500 billion plus market cap in the first week. Dude, that would be nuts, right? A $500 billion market cap would definitely shoot that above Ethereum, which would basically almost be a 3x from where we're at right now. So yeah, that is. I mean, I think something like that could happen. Some people are saying it's crazy to think that way. Some people are thinking that the price of RLUSD is already baked into the pump of XRP. Do you day trade your crypto? When I find when I find good entry points, I do it. I'll probably do anywhere from 10 to 15 trades a month. Mostly a swing trade, sometimes day trade, depending on how much we pump. I actually haven't found an edge. So I exited out of this was on Tuesday. Was it Tuesday or Monday? I can't remember. I had to go back. Last time I did a day trade and I got out of it was H bar. I got out, made some good money off of H bar swing trade. That was on Monday, and now I've just been sort of waiting for the market. This whole liquidation in the markets. I was at a doctor's appointment and I couldn't get to the little sell off that happened. So now I'm just kind of we're just waiting to sort of see here. And no, I don't do any leverage trading. And the crypto streets are looking mad and bloody, aren't they? I just jumped in and we are looking at it dropping. Yeah, it's so far it's slightly coming down. I mean, we're still at 34. Like I said, we'll probably continue to see this fall down, which is sort of what I want. We want to come down before an entry point. Can't wait for it to get back up to $1.80, get to $1.85. Be interesting if it does get to $1.85, which is the reason why it may be good to buy right now. Yeah, I'm gonna wait till I might, if it goes down, I might shift the way I feel, at midnight. We still have 4 hours, so would be very hard to have a card failure compared to a USB device. Yeah. Everything is lagging. Maybe gains is very neat. Right, Jockey? I don't know why my stuff is lagging pretty hard, dude. I don't know if it's like overheated or what. Let's see here. I heard I can 10x from here. I mean, that would put that 30. That would put that $30. I'd put it $30 per XRP. So I also wanted to play. We got the whale alerts. We did the NTs. Oh, I wanted you guys to hear this. I don't know if you guys heard this today. This is actually pretty good. This is actually some pretty good news here. Let me share my screen here with you real quick. Oops, it's Chrome tab. Let's go, Benny. All right, hopefully you guys can hear it.
The president's. It's a great day because the president's in obviously great spirits, and we're stepping into, I would say, the most pro-growth, pro-business, pro-American administration I've perhaps seen in my adult lifetime. Certainly.
What do you? The president mentioned the word incentive and incentive theory. Upstairs, downstairs. How would you characterize corporate America's appetite for responding to those incentives? Ebullience.
Yeah. So we just had a nice little ceremony, and CEOs of broad array of big American companies, and I would say everyone is incredibly enthusiastic, really about a new administration that's about efficiency, removing the impediments to growth, deregulation. I think a lot of confidence that comes from that.
Yeah. Sorry, Bill, I hear that as well, of course. In the investment community, though, the things that seem to concern some people are the unknowns, tariffs and deportations. Do you share that at least concern, or what is your sense as to how that's going to go? The impact on inflation, obviously, is a key component, potentially, if both are quite deep and severe.
Sure. So, look, I think with respect to immigration, the president's very focused on the safety of the American people and having an open border, not vetting people coming in, having criminals into the country. I think that's the number one priority, and that is actually pro-economy move. If you get rid of people who are causing harm.
That's 100,000 people, not 11 million potentially.
Unfortunately, I think it's more than that, but that's a priority. But look, I think the overarching theme is President Trump will do nothing that interferes with the success of the country, the success of the economy. That's absolutely his number. Other than our national defense, that's his number one issue. So I think he's being very thoughtful about tariffs.
You do?
I think it's a very powerful tool that can be used.
Yeah, so this is pretty crazy when you think about that, right? I mean, like just think about like where that's going. I mean, you have Bill Ackman out here, who obviously is very at first he was actually a person who did not like Trump at all. Now he's a huge supporter of him and a huge supporter of what's going to happen here in crypto and here in America. And I think that just hearing that alone, that these Fortune 100 companies were all in a room together with Trump, and they all walked out of there extremely excited about the future of the United States economy, and not hinge the growth of American technology, of American business. Take off the red tape, dude. Like take away the deregulation of deregulate stuff. Like I think that we're in for a freaking crazy 2025. I'm going to be honest, dude. Trump is not going to come into the United States and not become president starting January 20th and completely wreck our economy. It's not going to happen, dude. There's no way, dude. He's going to come in and try to make it the best it's ever been. And because that's the kind of person he is. And so like that's where I'm super bull. Like I don't care where that this price could go down to 190 tonight. I don't give a crap, dude, because I know that by the end of 2025, we're all going to be in the green across the board on a multiple amounts of crypto. So it's like I'm not going to let a couple days or wherever this falls. You know, I'm not worried about that. I'm looking out from months down the road as to where my investment will be. So yeah, it's kind of crazy when you hear these people talk about this. People that are here, drain the swamp. Hell yeah, I'm with you, man. I've been the drain the swamp. Yeah, I think that stuff's got to go, dude. I think the Department of Government Efficiency is going to be huge for America, which will just continue to put us on a good path forward. It's going to be monumental with Trump in office. Yes, and again, I'm not here to say whatever side you are on. That's fine. I don't. It doesn't matter to me. I think I'm just here to be. I'm pro crypto. I'm pro capitalism, and I want to see people prosper. And I want to see people happy and make a lot of money in life. That's really what it all comes down to me, because that's how it should be. That's what why else do we live? And so we live for other things, but you have to have some form of financial stability to be able to live a lifestyle that is what we all want to live. So love it, Austin. Yeah, no, it's great. And I think it's I appreciate that, T-Bird. And yeah, that's where I'm at with it, dude. Honestly. Yeah, deregulating financial freedom, right? Isn't that? Why would you not be excited about that? You think it will bounce, guys? We'll see. We've hit the bottom for the night. Maybe I'm gonna think about. I'm probably gonna look around the 12-hour chart right around midnight. You can see it's gonna start coming down, and about midnight, I'm gonna have a better idea. So back clause. Will the bear market for sure begin in 2026? I'm hoping for a super cycle, dude. I'm kind of on the super cycle bandwagon right now. Like I said, my father, he's a professor, teaches economics, all that kind of stuff. He's my financial advisor. He's been in the game for quite some time. Obviously, he teaches at teaches at a pretty high level. He teaches doctorate level at Academy, and so I don't know. He believes that there's probably going to be a super cycle. All his cohorts and other professors are thinking the same thing. So. That's all these guys do is study that kind of stuff. So, if he's saying it, then I can't shy away from that. Corey, thanks so much for becoming a member of the channel. You are now officially a member of the A team, and I appreciate the heck out of it, dude. Thank you very, very much. Diaz, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, vibe with a V. Did I miss your thing, dude? Dude. Sorry about that. If I missed your 20, dude, thank you so much for the $20. Wondering, do you think that Swift's integration with Chainlink eliminates the need for third parties like XRP? Also, don't you think banks will have the resources to create their own private blockchains? I think that so banks are there to move money around, I think. And so I think that their goal would be to partner with people that have already established blockchains to move the funds through, right? They're not there to be blockchain experts. Just like a lot of these banking institutions aren't there to recreate systems or create systems. They're there to actually move money and make sure ledgers are right, or right or wrong or whatever it might be. So no, I don't think that banks will create their own private blockchains. I think that they will partner with people who are experts in that to then create a blockchain that's, or use a blockchain that's best for their solution. Also, I think Swift is integrated with a lot of Chainlink. They've integrated with you have HBAR now working with the Fed nows. I don't think Swift is people are not going to use Swift very, very often. I don't think after XRP gets approved and people do that, they'll use decentralized platforms to send money through the system. They're not going to want to use the Swift and things like that. That's just me personally. But yeah, if Swift can get better with Chainlink and stuff like that, it could help out. But thoughts on Chainlink? I think Chainlink's great. I think Chainlink has a lot of things going for them for sure. Yeah, Chainlink. A lot of people have made money off Chainlink. I think it's great. So again, thank you so much for the $20 vibe with V. Sorry about that if I missed it. I said thank you, Corey. Trump a billionaire. He did not need to run for money. Yeah, I think so too. Debbie Kennedy, thank you so much for the $10. Is the price drops below what I thought bought in for? Do I lose it all? No, you just lose your. If you bought in for 240 and let's just say that you bought. I'll just give an example. Say you bought for 1,000. Bought it. Let's just say you bought at 260. Everyone here buys at 260. Bought at 260, it seems, and now it's down about 10%. So you're down about $1,000. You're down about $100. If that comes back up to 260, you're going to be even again. So yeah, I guess what I was trying to say that if you if you bought at 260, it went down 10%, and you're like, crap, dude, that kind of sucks. You're like, okay, I lost $100, and then this goes down another 10%, which is down to like, let's say it goes down to like $2 here, right? Which is like 15%. You're like, okay, I guess I'm gonna put another $100 in, or sorry, I'm gonna put another $1,000 in. So now you're buying it at a bigger discount, and when this bounce back up, you're actually going to be 15%. You're going to be 15% up when you break even. So you actually brought your dollar cost average down. Now you're, instead of being at 260, you're probably roughly around the 240, 235 mark, somewhere in that ballpark. So then when it comes back up, you're either even or now you've exceeded. So that's the whole goal between DCA and in. You do have to spend a little bit more money to do that, though. I bought at 230. Yeah, so you're right on par then, dude. You're up a little bit right now. You're up like what, 2%? Thoughts on Blast? I don't know enough about it yet, dude. But oh, you're talking about Blast. You're talking about what is it? I don't think I have Blast. No, yeah, I don't have Blast. No, I don't know if I know what that one is. Flare. Talk about Flare. Flare's actually gone up in price today. If you guys don't know, Flare's this is where it got me into talking about decentralized the DEX side of things, getting into like Uniswaps, getting into like Sushi Swap. Like all these DEX things are going to be great. And one of them is because obviously I you know, a lot of us here own, well, some of us here own Flare. As you guys know, Flare has sort of been kind of, you know, a hot topic. I haven't really talked about it on the channel, but it is one of those where I think it's good to see. It's doing okay, but as you guys know, the Spark DEX just came out. So there's a DEX for Spark DEX. It just came out 6 hours ago, which is why the price gone up for this. It actually spiked up a little bit. But yeah, these DEXs are super important for the ecosystem of crypto, right? People want to be on the decentralized side. They don't want to always be on the centralized side. So that's where I was saying, like Uniswap, you know, you got Sushi Swap, you got Pancake Swap, you got obviously Spark DEX right now with Flare. There's just some opportunities to look at these things. Not saying that that's what I'm going to go, you know, we should all go buy, but I mean, they're good tools. So let's see here. Let's see here. I told all my friends and coworkers for years to please just buy some XRP. None of them did. Now they're asking me. That's actually pretty funny, dude. I liked you just said, oh, thank you, Jake. Appreciate that, man. Trump is a billionaire. Yeah, he is a billionaire, dude. I have a theory about Trump and a false flag event. Be careful. Yeah, you're right, dude. There's a lot of some crazy things, right? Song and dance. I'll give you that. But yeah, Flare is definitely one that we've talked about on the channel for quite some, or well, we've been talking for a while. Chainlink is on fire again. Is it going up now again? Let's pull this open here. Yeah, it's going back up a little bit, back up to 30. Yeah, it's doing well. It's definitely doing well, dude. Yeah, so 28, now it's back up. Yeah, it's doing good, man. Anyone that got into that, kudos to you guys. Banks outsource customer service. They're as lazy as a franchise founder. XRP code. That's funny, man. Which cryptos have the potential to be worth hundreds of thousands? J-Dubs, I mean, there's probably a lot out there, dude. I mean, there's so many out there that could do really, really well. If you got in at $1, how much would XRP have to be to have a million? Oh my gosh, that's a lot, dude. If you got in at $1, well, how much did you buy for $1? You know, if you bought, you know, 20,000, we could probably do the math. If we could do the math, if you gave me a number of how much you bought. Let's see here. What's holding it from pushing past 260? I think the markets, I think there's a lot. I mean, you can see even Bitcoin right now is not, the volume's a little bit down too. Look at the volume right now. Even Bitcoin's volume is really down. That means that there's not that much volume coming in. We could probably look. There was roughly, yeah, there's not that much volume coming in on these. So, yeah, they bought 23.35K Bitcoin. Yeah, there's not that much. 1,881 Bitcoin coming through on Bitstamp right there. We can even go down and look at what's coming through on Coinbase. You can see there's actually not that much coming through on Coinbase for Bitcoin. So if we go down and look at XRP and their volume, you can see that there's roughly, yeah, about 483 about 483 million coming through on this hour. But over here, I mean, you can see there was like almost 2 billion. So you can see there's not that much volume coming through. So that's why the volume slowed down. Awesome. Where is the major supports? Well, the first support right here is at that 190 mark, which I have right here lined out. Well, I have this is the 150 right here that I lined out a while back. And then there was another one right here that was at 190, which is like a little shelf right here. You can see that there's a pretty good amount of volume right here from basically 190, basically like $2 down to about 180. There's a good window of it's going to hit some support right there. And then the next level, you can see there's none right here between this level and here. The next one's right down here around the 150 mark, somewhere in this ballpark, maybe even like 144, 145 mark. And the next one after that is right here around the 110 mark. So yeah, if it breaks through here, it gets down to the 190 mark, you know, and it doesn't hang up here, which it did pretty good on the sellout. The next mark is down below. 150 XRP at $1. So you have like basically 300, you're like at $300 basically, give or take, maybe 350. So yeah, you'd probably, I mean, even if you 10x'd it, that put you at 3,000. 100x'd it, that put you at 30,000. 1,000x would put you, yeah, you would have you'd have a hard time getting there with that. I mean, they'd have to do some crazy numbers for you to get there. Heard something about the alien invasion. I did see that, dude. Are you talking about New Jersey, Kokor? The New Jersey stuff? That stuff's wild, dude. What's up, guys? Is there any XRP burn plan? We were just talking about the XRP new generations. We were just talking about earlier today about the XRP and how, you know, it's not really meant to burn supply. It's mostly meant to secure the chain. That's the whole goal of the burns. So it's a lot big, you know, a lot different than any other burn out there. So that's what we were talking about earlier. The only advice you should take from me is when I say hit the like button. Appreciate that, Cloud99. I have Flare. The price is moving up, and I only have it because of this channel. Thanks, Austin. Oh, Sean Parsons, that's good, man. That's good. Yeah, it's looking pretty. I mean, you know, it's not up a ton. You know, I don't know when you got in. Hopefully you got in like over here. Hopefully you got in over here when we were talking about it. And a decent amount, but yeah, this thing's been on a nice little rally over the month, right? It's up over 100%. But Flare's just one of those ones I think, you know, it's fairly new. It's come out, hasn't even hit its all-time highs yet. All-time high was up here at like 50 cents or 5 cents, sorry. But I think there's just a lot of opportunity with it. That's all. Time for hockey. Have a good one, Austin. All right, Mr. T-Dubs. Good luck with the hockey, man. Tony, thanks so much for the $5 holiday sale. Bought a Ledger Flex and comes with a $70 Bitcoin voucher from Ledger. Damn, bro. That's a deal right there. They are handing out some specials right there. Flare and Helium Mobile. Oh, did you where did you buy Helium? Did you get a good price on Helium Mobile? Hopefully that's doing okay for you as well. I tell you the truth, I think it was actually up pretty good the other day. I think I was up a pretty good amount. I didn't sell it, but it was up. I was like, oh man. More buy the rumor, sell the news every time people predict a pump. That's true, Sack. I'll give you that. There's a lot of that. Love your channel. Any chance you can read the whole question, as sometimes I do not understand the answer you give? I'm sorry, dude. That is probably a bad habit. I do not read the full question sometimes. That is probably a bad thing of me. And someone else has asked me that before, where I'll just read the one question and then I stop reading and I instantly start answering it. That is a bad habit, and I'm sorry I do that. Can you trade options in crypto? Yeah, you can trade. Well, you're talking. I mean, you can do. No, you can't trade options. You could buy contracts. I mean, I guess that's. I don't know. You can't really buy. I mean, you can do leverage trading. You can do. Yeah, I don't think you're going to do options trading. I mean, I guess you can. Oops, sorry, I guess you can. Yeah, you can buy. You could do it on Coinbase. You can do it on Coinbase right now. Yeah, I guess you can. I don't do it though. So, how hard is it to get banned from your channel? I got a free membership. I just like correcting idiots. Hey man, no, I don't think I don't ban a whole lot of people at all, dude. At least I don't think I do. No, if the price tanks, it's still your crypto as long as you have it off the exchange. Let's see, sacred. We don't need unless someone else is in here. You got GS, dude. You guys are wild right now. Let's see here. Math done like, dude, that's awesome. I have a sell order in. When is this gonna blow up? We'll see, man. We'll see. Like I said, it's back up to 235. So this is trading between 233 and 235 right now. This is awesome, chat. I'm a moderator in many chats, and I would say you all are very positive, very optimistic. I appreciate you all. No, I appreciate you being here, Sacred Terra. Thanks, man. Yeah, welcome. How do you 5 or 10 ask a trade on Coinbase? I thought that was the futures. I seem to do it at 250 account unless you know a way. You can only, I think that they only allow 5. You can only do a 5x. You can, I don't think they allow you to leverage 10 on Coinbase. You could either, I think they require you to do 3. You have to make a few trades with 3. And then if you do that, you can move up to a 5. Like they take steps. I actually give props to Coinbase to where people, if they use leverage, they actually sort of, hold them to it. Is RLUSD in use already? It's not in use yet. Snake with a hat official. Could you see XRP ever doing 100K like Bitcoin? I don't know about 100K, but I mean, we don't need 100K for it to get there. I mean, for it to get to the market cap of, we were just saying that for it to get to like $100, here, I'll pull up the map. I'll pull up the chart again. And this is just for fun pie in the sky stuff, right? Well, if XRP to get to $100 per XRP, it would be a 42 multiplier. And it would put the market cap about a $5 trillion market cap. So it would double almost double where Bitcoin's at right now, right? A little over double where Bitcoin's at. So, can that potentially happen down the road? Yeah, I'm not saying that that's not on the table. I mean, that very well could happen down the road. I'm not saying it's going to happen tomorrow or next year, but I mean, 10 years down the road can happen. Absolutely. You never know, right? $100. I mean, so now you turned your 30 cents into $100. Dude, they said that Bitcoin would never go from 4 cents to 100,000. So, I'm never going to doubt what crypto can do. Just because what Bitcoin's been able to do, I'll never doubt what a cryptocurrency can do. I mean, there's so many opportunities. It's insane. There are several companies that are trying for HBAR ETFs. Dude, that would be cool. An HBAR ETF would be good. Austin got all his mucho and only has dial-up internet. Dude, am I lagging still, bro? My bad. I'm bad. We all thanks for going live and chatting. Appreciate your thoughts, bro. Oh, Miss Spellman, thank you so much. What's your sell price for XRP? I don't have a sell price, dude. I'm sorry. Do I continue to read half the? Then I dreamed about 3/8 for books of job chapters 38 and Act 2 verse 42. What are we talking about? What are we talking about? Where do I find the chart he's using? This is on TradingView, bro. Just go to TradingView. Awesome, Austin. Love the name and your channel. You're relentless. Oh, XRP007. Actually, I should say XRP007. Sorry, my bad. XRP007. Appreciate you. Wait, what? How do you leverage trade on Coinbase? You go into Coinbase Advanced. I think you got. I don't know if you have to pay the $299 or not, but if you do, then you can go in there and you can actually go to Coinbase Advanced, and then you can go in there and leverage trade. You got to sign like 65 things. I think you actually have to give them some blood. You have to take a UA as well. I mean, they ask for like everything under the sun just to futures trade. So just be aware of that. I'm just kidding. They don't do that, but it feels like it. It feels like you're like you have to like give them everything. You pretty much have to like sign your life away. Super interesting times we're living in, dude. 100%, Ryan. Thoughts on trying to pick up Flared right now? I mean, yeah, it's tough, dude. I mean, I'm up. That's the hard part, dude. Is I'm, it's easy for me to say because I'm up 100, well over 100% on my investment. So it's easier for me to say like, yeah, I think it's just going to continue to do well, right? I mean, we're in altcoin season. This is ranked number 74. It's in the top 100. I feel secure with what its intentions are. It's, and its partnership, it's really close to that of XRP. So I'm on board with it, dude. Yeah, Ledger's a good one, man. Heck yeah. Right here. That's what I got, just so you guys can see. I got 1K XRP marked for at $100, dude. That'd be sick. He's legit. Appreciate that, guys. 7-day free to try. Why do you keep saying $299? It's $29.99. No, it's $299, dude. If you, Arati, if you want the Coinbase where you want no fees, you want 250. I just put it right here. I have it. I have it on my Twitter, dude. You go to Twitter. Let's see right here. Hopefully I didn't post that much so I can actually find it. I should probably like flag it just so I can pull it out for people. Dude, where did I put it? Has it been that long ago? How many times did I post? Gosh. I thought I just put it on here, but I think Coinbase put it out there. Coinbase put out a thing on it talking about $299. I'll have to find it again, dude. Yeah, it's $299 right here. Coinbase Premium, $299 a month. Right there. $299 a month. You get unlimited zero trading fees, unlimited boosted USD rewards, 25% back on unlimited amounts of Coinbase Advanced spot fees. So any of the fees that you pay over there, you'll get 25% back. They give you $250 of coverage for unauthorized account access, meaning that's basically like they'll insure your account up to $250,000, and that's cost $299 a month. So, dude, I spend on one trade, I'll spend $299. So why would I not go invest $299 into this, and knowing that I can go trade 15, 20, 30 times and at that and not have to pay a single trading fee? So yeah, it's $299. Thank you, 007. Jesse just read earlier that Coinbase Europe and Coinbase Germany is restricting markets. I did see that, dude. Yeah, effective tomorrow. I did read that. Yeah, you got to get your shit off that. If you get your stuff out of that quick. Got taken out of my card today, $299.99. You guys are on the I don't know what one you guys are on. Coinbase one is $299.99. I'm showing you right now. I've been paying $299.99 a month, I swear. Are you getting the same exact fees? Let me pull this up over here real quick. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a new thing than what you guys have. I think I was paying at one point. I was paying the same thing. Let's see, individuals. You could do advanced. Yeah, I don't know what the fees are. I'd have to find out, but I'm paying $299.99. Or sorry, that's what I'm paying. I guess that's what I'm paying. So, yeah. To each alone, $299 as a month is crazy. But if you're spending that on one trade, right? I mean, it's worth it, dude. Coinbase one is $299, premium is $299. Okay, there we go. Paul, thank you so much for coming. I was trying to find it real quick. Thank you, Paul. Appreciate you, man. Yeah, basic membership is $299.99 up to 10,000. No fee trading, and premium is $299 for unlimited. There you go. Boom. I got the unlimited plan, like T-Mobile. I got the unlimited plan, dude. Unlimited data plan. You guys are back on dial-up. You guys are back on those, AT&T plans. I got that Starlink plan, guys. It's $299. No, it's a premium plan versus a basic plan, bro. I'm I'm used to paying upwards of $800 on transaction fees and ETH. That's what I'm saying, bro. You better get on that $299 plan, that $299 plan, not the $29.99 plan. What's getting removed? So USDC. It's any unregulated stablecoin in Europe or Germany is getting any deregulated stablecoin is getting removed from the markets. You're not allowed to use them anymore. So you better get your stuff out of there. If you're in Europe right now, you better, and you have your stuff in USDC, you better like convert that stuff over to something. Cameron. But I'm being honest here. I'm being honest that it honestly pays itself off, dude. I'm not fronting it, dude. It really is the real deal. When you're making 10 to 15 trades and you're spending each of them are anywhere from $10,000 to $15,000 per trade on a swing trade, and then you know any spot trading and anything like that, it trust me, dude, it will pay itself off like tenfold. That's why I was like, I read it and I'm like, no way, dude, because like you could spend anywhere, because they say, well, up to $10,000, you know, you won't have to pay any fees. Well, one trade is free. One trade, $10,000 free. If you go make the next trade, you're paying $250. I'm not doing that, dude. You can't day trade. You can't. It's impossible to do that. Now with the unlimited plan, you can. I don't need to go in and set. I can spend all day looking at the charts and make my trades like this right on Coinbase, and you know, be able to take my profits right when I need to. What will XRP hit? I mean, I'm hoping that it hits in this bull run. I'm hoping it hits like $7 to $10, dude. Like that's where I'm, which is not unreasonable. I don't think that's unreasonable. Japan considering BTC strategic reserve. They're all everywhere across. Roddy, thanks for pushing that out here. I did see that. So everyone is pushing this now. Now that Trump came into office and everyone's like, hey, we're creating a strategic reserve. Everyone is going to create a Bitcoin strategic reserve. Like, this is why I say, if you are in crypto, this is the only thing I'm going to say. Like, you have to own Bitcoin, dude. Like, you have to make it a decent portion of your portfolio. Even if you were to go just put like, I don't know how much in, whatever you want, dude. But I mean, everyone's going to be fighting over Bitcoin, dude. It's going to become harder and harder to get. And when it becomes harder and harder to get, what happens? The price goes up. So can you trade more than 5 times a day on Coinbase? And how? Yeah, you just go spot trade. Just spot trade it, dude. You could trade 1,000 times. They don't care as long as you're. I mean, I've traded probably, I've traded a decent amount of times on Coinbase, dude. 8, 9, 10 times, depending on what it is. Don't let Germany near BTC. Yeah, dude, they'll sell it. Since I started investing in XRP, I've been watching just a few channels. This one, obviously, you double. Oh, Sacred Terror, appreciate that. Sometimes, yeah. Depends on what's in there. I mean, like, you know, the other day I was doing swing. I did 3 of them, right? Did 3 swing trades in a day just on, or I guess that would be a day trade. But I mean, I bought XRP and HBAR back to backs and did a trade. Have high fee. You have a solution. Yeah, you pay the Coinbase has high fees. Yeah, you pay the $299 unlimited plan. He's trading 5-figure plus trades, which is why if $299 makes sense. Yeah, it makes sense. It's not even debatable. When that came out, I was like, sign up. Thank you. I'll take that one. Won't do that. What are you talking about, Code Core? I missed what you said. What won't you do again? I missed what Code Core said. What won't you do again, bro? Bitcoin measured in XRP prices crashing. Hey, John Buffler, thanks so much for becoming a member of the channel. You are now officially a member of the A-Team. Appreciate that so much, dude. Yeah, thanks for becoming a member. This channel is great. Gabriel, thank you so much, man. Bitcoin measured in XRP down. I'm heading to bed, brother. Call me if you need dips by 2 bucks. All right, dude. I'll shoot you a text. Yo, Terry, wake up, man. Well, sleep good, bro. I appreciate you being here, dude. As always, man. Always showing love and support, dude. Thanks for all your donations to the channel, too. Austin, I'm very grateful for your honesty. Hey, no problem, dude. I'll answer pretty much anything. There's probably some things that are off limits that I won't probably talk about. $299 a month for Coinbase. Yeah, it's the premium unlimited. Yep. $299 unlimited. You get insurance on your investments inside there up to $250. So it's like how the FDIC insures your money in the bank. Coinbase will insure your money up to $250,000 in there too. So yeah, when I move money over there to do trade on and stuff like that, so I will. It's insured, thankfully, right? So yeah, that's kind of cool. So yeah, dude, Terry coming in hot before he goes to bed. Coming in hot with the 5 gifted donations, and I'm not even logged in now, so now I got to go back and see who you gifted them to. But man, I appreciate the heck out of that, dude. Thank you so much for gifting those. Don't before you bounced out of here. Let me actually get over to. I totally went to the wrong channel. Let's see here. Thank you very much, Terry. I know you were going to. I thought you were going to bed. Peace. I know. I love you, man. Take it easy, bud. I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah. Thanks so much, man. I'll see who they were so I can welcome everyone here. Awesome. What's up, dude? So sorry, dude, that was loud. So how much should the balance be on your Coinbase to day trade more than 5 times a day? Well, I can trade up. So I'm allowed to transfer. I'm allowed to transfer and remove $250,000 out of Coinbase. That's my limits a day. It's 250,000. So I've been on there for a long time. Obviously, KYC'd, made tons of transactions through Coinbase. So I mean, I think I'm an established customer, which I think is required too. So I don't know how long you've been there and stuff like that. So yeah. And again, thanks to that guy for the 5. We got crazy Kaysen. We got Mad Wiz. Good to see you, Triple D, the Wolf. Welcome to the A team. That is awesome. Make sure you say thank you to that guy. Yeah, appreciate that a ton. You guys are fantastic, dude. Thanks for the donations to the channel. Wobbles, thanks for becoming a member of the channel. You are now officially a member of the A team, and I appreciate that a ton too, dude. Sean Parsons gifted 1 membership. Who was it to? Gifted it to Frank Q, dude. Awesome, Frank Q. Welcome to the A team. Thank you so much for the gift there, Sean Parsons. Make sure you guys say thank you to the people who gifted it. That's fantastic, dude. A team, man, you guys are great, dude. Honestly. Robbie Reed, thanks so much for the $10. Bluffing is strong with the leverage trades up to 50x. Just keep an eye on your liquid. Oh my gosh, yeah, that's crazy, dude. Keep more on your future balance than you are willing to lose. Yeah, that's some good advice. But I didn't know that they actually 50x leverage. Gosh, dang, dude, they are going hardcore, bro. Be careful on that one. Yeah, dude, I get sweat when I do 10x, dude. I'm like, oh man, which I haven't done since Binance.us, and I haven't done and when we were allowed to use MEXC, and then now the hardest I've gone is 5x because that's what Coinbase does. So. Is it okay? But I don't even do it very often. I do it very rarely, and it's too stressful. So move mine to Tangent Wallet. Okay, good. What percentage do you keep on the cold storage? Like 95% of my crypto. And like I said, I'll move money onto Coinbase for trading. I'll buy with fiat, and if I hit something, I'll either keep it in fiat, buy the next one, which is typically what I do, or I'll move it depending on what it is. So again, thank you so much for the donation there, Rob. Yeah, we're just talking about DAG. I think DAG's actually, something to consider, man. I put it on my favorites list to keep watching, net bastard. Marianne, thanks for becoming a member of the A team. I really appreciate that. You are now officially a member here on the channel, and I couldn't be more grateful. Thank you very much. Quick, Austin, 900x leverage naked short on XRP right now. Don't think about it. F it. Let's just do it, dude. Just throw it down on it, right? I would be stressing to the max, bro. Oh my gosh. I wouldn't even be able to show up. I'd be like, nope. I'd be like in a corner. Oh, thank you so much we got another one here. We got Rita Burrito gifted 1 membership. Let's see I don't know who it was to. It was to Jordan. Yeah, make Jordan say thanks to, when you get a chance, say thanks to, you might not be here still, but if you do, say thanks. And then we got Daniel Foster up here giving one out to, looks like Hazen for, that's awesome. You two are great, man. Thanks so much for gifting memberships to everyone in the chat here. Oh yeah, Cosmo's good, man. Cosmo's legit. And then we have, I think I missed one more. Was there one more? Oh no, I did. $350 a token, I'm paying 50 in ETH fees. That's insane, Code. Yeah, don't do that again, bro. That's a lot. Dude. You paid that much just to get rid of a. So you lost like $150. Yeah, that's wild. Wobbles, thanks so much for the $5. All of you are super chill. First channel I've ever been a member to. Appreciate the knowledge podcast I usually listen to now at work. Let's get it. Oh, wow, that's awesome, dude. Yeah, that's what we try to do. Just be positive. Talk about crypto. I want to be on the A team. Yeah, you could be on the A team if you want. I mean, if you want to, you can come over here onto the YouTube side, and you can become a member of the channel over here if you want to. And I appreciate that, Michelle. Yeah, thanks. But yeah, I appreciate that, Wobbles. Yeah, we try to be very positive. You'll get people that'll come in here all the time and be super negative and be kind of a, you know, they'll be kind of trolls and stuff like that. And you just got to look past it. Don't let it get under your skin, because we try to really just stay positive and just look at where we can make money and have a good time. And at the end of it, you know, support each other. That's really what it comes down to. Just find a place to support each other, because crypto is an unrelenting place that will eat you up and spit you out and never look back at you, because that's the crypto space, dude. So just realize that. And sorry for the spam. You're good, Ollie. It's okay that my crypto is in Coinbase and Robinhood. I'm more of a Coinbase guy, but to each your own, bud. To each your own. I'm more of a Coinbase guy. Brand new to this, but bought 58 XRP and could afford yesterday. Fingers crossed. Well, you probably bought it at a good price if you bought it yesterday. So depending on where you bought. Yeah, you're welcome, dude. That's awesome. How could Flare go this bull run? I think it's going to do well, Real Patriot. I mean, it's a top, like I said, it's a top crypto. They actually are very unique in what they're trying to do. If you guys don't know about Flare, I mean, their whole goal is to work with the cross chain. So as you guys know, one of the things that is really hard in this space is the bridging capabilities. And so that's one of their things that they're trying to really work through, is with the bridging and stuff like that. That's one of their things. And then to allow dApps and stuff like that to be built on there. But the goal is for the bridge. So that's what I kind of like about it. So, you know, to each our own. But yeah, I see it probably doing okay. When this thing launched and it was pretty low. It wasn't even the top like 300 cryptos. And then it slowly worked. But I don't know how high it's going to go. This is its first bull run, so it's hard to say. You have no numbers off that. Oh, that was before you started watching me? Okay, Kokor. I was like, gosh, dang, that's a lot. Hey, Rob, thanks again for the $10 super sticker, man. Thank you very, very much. Honestly, appreciate that a ton. Yeah, F them, Daniel. F them, screw them. Yeah, you'll get those every once in a while, right? What's the best cold storage? Ledger, bud. Ledger. That's what you want, dude. Where do you buy XRP besides Coinbase? I only buy on Coinbase, bro. XRP on Coinbase. That's the only place I get free. I get free. I don't have to pay for anything. So Coinbase free for everything, because I don't pay for any spot fees. I don't let negative get me. Find your place in the correct coins. 100%, dude. Thanks for all the information you give out. Everyone not doing this, plus you acknowledge your chat. Salute. It's a hard thing to do, man. Geek Squad, it really is. You won't see too many YouTubers out there doing what I'm doing. It's a tough road, man, to do it. And you know, you gotta show love and support to the people that show up every day and want to talk about crypto with you. So I think it's super important. I mean, that's why we should be able to engage like this. So yeah, but a lot of YouTubers don't do it. It's too hard and it's too time consuming. And, you know, maybe too much talking. Maybe I'm just talkative. I don't know. Austin, have you heard about the Pi Network? I have. I should probably look into more the Pi Network. I'm going to be honest. A lot of you guys talked about it. Last hour push like yesterday. Yeah, it's starting to climb up a little bit. Like I said, you can see over here, my focus right now is this is going to continue to come down. And when this blue right here, which is getting closer, let me move this comment out of the way here. I'm going to blow this up a little bit so we can actually see it. So you can see right there, that's coming down right here. I said when this starts to touch it, I'm going to start to get a little bit more intrigued about purchasing. This is obviously coming back down. It's going to look like it's going to touch it as well. The day chart looks like this is coming down and starting to maybe start to come up. So that's what you want, right? I mean, you want the blue to be on the way upward. And then the 1 hour chart right now is, you can see this is starting to come back up. So when all these things are looking right to me, I'm going, okay, maybe this is a good opportunity. So yeah, here we are with it. Again, these are indicators. This isn't saying like this is like the say all be all to it all. You know what I mean? There's other things to it. So oops, I think I moved that in there. Oh, that's the volume in there. So that, yeah, you just got to think about that. So that's kind of where I'm at with it. Let's move that up. I should touch that. Fuck, I don't want that there. There we go. So yeah, just think about that. Why be negative? Life's too short. I agree, man. Life's way too short. Yes, 100K is good. Digital Orgy, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. In the last 2 weeks, what was it? Spent over 3K in Coinbase fees in the last 2 weeks. See, that's what I'm talking about, bro. You could have got the unlimited plan. Bro, did you get a new Ledger wallet with the screen on? I did not. I'm still old school, bro. Old school. Even though I probably should upgrade, but I don't know. I just didn't have it. There's no reason to. I still feel very happy with this. Maybe I'm old school. Here's Rob Austin, the token. Oh my God, dude. I'm not even gonna say the word out loud, dude. That is a word we do not say. Just kidding, Kokor. That is crazy. That's wild, bro. I've been mining for almost 4 years. Wow, Sacred Terror. That's awesome, dude. What cable company do you have? I think I have. Well, I don't have cable. I have internet through Comcast. High-speed internet through Comcast. Why is my stuff still lagging? You are one patient, dude. I know how you stay. So I don't know how you stay so even keeled. Trust me, dude. 2 years ago on stream, I probably wasn't as even keeled as I am now. I think it's through time. I think just being in the space, you learn to show patience. You try to get through it. Trust me, dude. There's time. You can ask a lot of people here that have been here. I'm not saying I'm perfect by any means, because I'm definitely not. I'm not perfect, but I think time in the space will get you to become better at your emotions, better at expressing your feelings and stuff like that. And just not letting the people get to you that want to try to get to you, because a lot of people here in the space, like I said, unrelenting space, a lot of people here are to just be negative, and you just don't want to be around. You shouldn't surround yourself with negative people. If you're surrounding yourself with a bunch of negative people, you will walk away constantly being negative, and it's just a downer on the day, dude. So even if days are in the red, we should try to find some positivity. I know that sounds really cliche and kind of dumb, but I mean, why else would you want to watch someone or do something if they're constantly negative and it's like always the bear and all this and that? Like, you wouldn't want that. Who wants that? Who wants to be around that? No one wants to be around that. I don't want to be around that. So that's kind of where I've grown to become. And that's what I tried to, I guess, express onto a screen with other people on the other side watching me. And so that's where I'm trying to, that's who I am. So, and yes, who you see on right here is the same person you'll see on the other side of the screen. There's been a lot of people out here that have met me in real life, and the same person on screen is the same person you'll get in real life. Yes, XRP has to be huge to have things to work. Yeah, I agree. You want to live, push yourself, 5 a.m. run. Hawaii Rider is in the house, dude. What is it like? It must be like what, 4 p.m. there. How about Crow? I'm a little on the Crow. I don't know yet. Still looking again. I owned a lot of Crow. If you guys don't know, I used to own a lot of Crow. I was really big into Crow for a long time there. And they kind of that's kind of one of my larger losses. I don't lose a whole lot in crypto, but that was one of the ones where I had to really try hard at DCAing into a position and getting back a majority of the money. And yeah, it's tough. Can't get Kraken in Washington, unfortunately. You talk about the game for the game, dude. Descent. I need a I don't have the Descent one, Real Patriot, but I heard a lot of people here on the chat do have it, dude. Austin, you still rock with Rodney or not? I haven't talked to Rodney in a long time, personally. Yeah, dude, he'll come in. He came into TikTok a few times. I was on the stream this morning with him, saying what's up and stuff like that. So we talked there, but we haven't talked to each other on the phone in a long time. But yeah, dude, Rodney's doing his thing, man. And like I said, I'll always support Rodney, dude. Nothing. He's a good guy, dude. Even regardless of however other people feel. I mean, he's done nothing wrong to me, and I support the hell out of him and everything he's got going. So yeah, as always. Where in Coinbase do I find the subscription? I don't know exactly where you would find it, David. It's somewhere in there. I don't know exactly where. Crow will likely be a security. Crow's an odd duck. And yeah, BNB, those are odd ones. You know what I mean? You have and another one too. You have there's a couple other exchange tokens out there too. What are they? I can't remember. Well, FTT was one, but there's another one out there that's like in the top ones. Is it Hobie? Hobie, is that the token? KuCoin. KuCoin's another one. I'm not that ripped. I'm a big guy. I mean, so my background is I was a big time wrestler. In high school, went to college wrestling. So I'm a bigger built guy, obviously, but I'm not shredded by any means. I'm a country boy through and through, dude. Like cornbread, Give me that cornbread, potatoes, and steak. You know what I mean? Like I'm a bulky kid. If you don't ride the red, then you won't get the green. Surfing the skateboard. I kind of like that, Corey. That's good. Let's see here. I thought Bitcoin and XRP in 2018 stored on Kraken, thinking about buying a ledger. Yeah, that's rough. You went all the way through. You went all the way through that with that on Kraken. Oh my gosh, Mike, that must have been the most stressful thing ever. Corn fed and bread, dude. That's what it comes down to. Yep. Country boy. I grew country. I mean, obviously I live in the city now. My wife's a city person. So, but yeah, I'm originally from a small town. So no memes for me. All right. I'm gonna fight Rodney for dumping a coin and being a cock about it. Oh my god, dude! I have to pull his dog. Obviously, you gave me $5. Thank you so much for the $5 donation. Man, he plays with the. I don't know what to say to that. Oh my gosh, dude! I'm sorry if that's the case, dude. That's always a it sucks to be dumped on. That's for sure. If that's I never followed it. You know what I mean? And yeah. So, but I appreciate the $5 and oh man. All right, gents. Woke up. We got to run. New sub. Hey, Miss Spellman, thank you so much for being here. Really appreciate that. Yeah, it's getting late this time. You guys, it's. I didn't realize I was on here for 2 hours until just now. It's fun. It's fun when you're having it's good times when you're having. Time flies when you're having fun. Is what I'm trying to say. Gosh, I like your live. Oh, appreciate that, Ollie. Thank you so much. I think RLUSD is live. It pops up on Coinbase Wallet as a newer coin. Does it really? Can you actually buy it, Max Crash? Let's see here. Coinbase. Does it actually pop up? Interesting. Continue. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. Maybe something's coming up. Oh, it's saying I'm blocked. Oh, that's awesome. Well, I guess I can't see that. Try, but liquidity is too low. Oh, so they haven't had liquidity on there. So maybe it's getting there. You think MEXC will ever come back? I hope so. I actually really liked MEXC. I'm not gonna lie. I was super, super disappointed when MEXC went into the doghouse. I was like, nah way, dude. Come on. Anyone else getting hungry? XRP and cornbread? Oh, you're funny, man. 4-hour chart's looking better, dude. It's starting to come down. Starting to come down a little bit right here. So we're gonna see this, dude. How legit is Binance website and their I don't even know if I've looked at that. Conky Trade. I don't know if I've ever looked at it. I don't know how to say that. Conky FT Trade. I can't say your name, dude. Is it I'm just gonna call you Conk. I don't know how to say that word. Funny. Oh my god, cool cat. Has anyone bought into BTFD? I don't even know what that is, bro. Yeah, Duffy Newman. Yeah, it's killing it, dude. Austin, you look like you're from Wisconsin. Wisconsin, Washington. I guess it's almost the same parallel. So, might as well be. When red days with the market and my girlfriend line. Dude. Oh my God, F Joe. Really? I had to read that. What happens if coins go to zero? Do you still have them? You still have the coins, but you just won't have the money. Terry girl. Yeah, that's gonna be rough. Yeah, don't do that. Let's try to avoid that if we all can, okay? That would really be tough. Yeah, that's why we should not try to invest in some crap coin out there. Thanks so much for the $2. Then I'll cuddle Huggy Bear after the fight. All right, I got your back, dude. I got your back. I appreciate that, man. I plays with you. Thank you so much, dude. Worth buying more XRP at this price. We're monitoring until about midnight, dude. Midnight's going to be my thing here. Western Washington, yeah. Seattle, the greater Seattle area, greater Seattle area. Thank you. Love your lives. I appreciate that, Terry girl. Thank you so much. I got an XRP pennant necklace on eBay. All right. They actually have those? I didn't even know they had those. Fun times when you have fun. Yeah, dude, you gotta have fun. How do I transfer my crypto from Uphold to Ledger? Just to put in your ETH address and then just move it over, dude. That's all you gotta do. Like, if you're moving ETH, you just get the ETH address from your Ledger and you'll say go over to Uphold, you'll say send, and then it's gonna say to, and you put in like the ETH address or whatever crypto you're trying to send, and then send it over. Just make sure that you when you send your Bitcoin, just send a little amount first, just so that you can. So don't send it all at once. Like send us like a $5, $10 one at first so that you know that it went through, that you did it correctly. and then send the rest through. So just make sure you do it in first small increments, and then send it. There are multiple scams of RLSD on token Coinbase wallet, so be careful. Oh yeah, so be careful. There's a lot of Big Watch was just saying there's a lot of RLUSD scam tokens on Coinbase wallet right now, so be careful. Is it snowing like crazy? Yeah, dude. I went to Central Washington University. That's where I went to college. So yeah, that's where I went over there to wrestle, and then they had the Title IX thing. So after 1 year there, they cut the program. So I was kind of disappointed, sad. But yeah, that's where I went to spend 5 years of my life in Ellensburg, dude. So yeah, love Eastern Washington, dude. I built paper patios, outdoor kitchen walls. Damn, all right. Cornbread and Costco hot dogs. Yeah, J-Lo, you can't go wrong with that, right? Thoughts on BitSnore? I don't know enough about it, dude. I've changed the name again later. Just legends will understand. Okay, I get it. Yeah, my bad. What you tracking? We're looking at Coin. We're looking at XRP right now. Been there, done that. Is eToro a good crypto broker? I'm not a big eToro fan. I'm gonna be honest. They're a little sus. Just opened a Coinbase account. It wants me to charge me $375 for. That's what I'm talking about, Diane. I told you, Diane. If you're trading on Coinbase, dude, they charge some fees, but it's because they want the memberships. But then if you are going to trade a decent amount, it definitely is worth it, dude. Even the $29.99. So right now, if they're charging you $375 for a $100 transaction, even the $29.99 a month deal is worth it because it's up to 10,000. He will read it. I'll read anything, dude. It's so bad. I'm so bad at reading stuff, dude. I've gotten caught so many times saying stuff I shouldn't say. KSM 4 hour daily. What are we talking about? 4 hour daily? Oh, you're asking like which one do I like to do? I like to do the 4 hour. I'm mostly on the 4 hour. Thanks so much for the $2. If I do any kind of trading, it's going to be on the 4 hour. Which is why I'm going to wait for this to come down, right? And we're gonna. Ellensburg was great to my son. Oh snap! All right. Yeah, that's awesome, dude. Love Ellensburg, man. That's awesome to hear. Yeah, Ellensburg was good times, man. Those are good times. Bro, I'll try asking one more time. Buy from exchange, transfer to cold storage wallet, then transfer to hot wallet, and then no. So you'll go from buy from exchange. It matters how you want to do it, J-Lo. So you can transfer to, you can move from, like how I do it is I'll move from an exchange to my cold storage. And then if I want to trade on the, if say like I have Ethereum, say like I have like $1,000 in Ethereum that I want to move over to a hot wallet, which is like MetaMask, I will then transfer from my ledger to my MetaMask. Everything from an exchange goes straight to my cold storage. Then it sits in my cold storage. And then if I need to, I'll pull from my cold storage or I will just go buy it on Coinbase and move it to a hot wallet. I usually try not to plug this in as much as possible. Only when I want to move over a decent amount of money. So like if I have like 10 ETH that I want to move over, I'll put it into my cold storage. But if I'm doing like daily transactions of like $200, $300, $500, $1,000, I'm not plugging this bad boy back in. You get what I'm saying? So it just stays there. It's like sitting in your safe. I mean, I just sits there in my safe, and I barely plug this bad boy in. Maybe 4 or 5 times a year, I probably plug this in. You can see it all from your phone, and only time I'll actually move it over there is if I stored up enough value in something that I want to move it over there. Like I said, maybe 4 or 5 times a year, maybe once a quarter, I'll probably plug this guy in and actually move something. And if you're going to, it's okay to have more than one of these to do other things on. I have like 150 wallets, dude. Like it's insane. It's hard to keep track of, but I have opened up a ton of wallets to move money around. When you're entering a long on XRP, well, the crappy thing is Coinbase doesn't have Coinbase leverage trading. It's the only place Coinbase is the only thing I can use in the state of Washington for leverage trading, number one. And number two, they don't have XRP for any longs. XRP would probably be the only crypto right now that I'd put a long on outside Bitcoin. Bitcoin's actually not that bad either. Bitcoin's on the verge of, I don't do leverage trading all very often. It stresses me out too much. Hopefully I answered your question, JLo. Sorry about that. I've installed 3 kitchen islands. Damn, bro. In one day? That's a lot. That's a lot. Sacred Terra. 1 day, 3 kitchen. Dude, that's a lot. You take 25% just before predicted high. It's so hard. True, Shane. Is on the market on Ledger. It could be nasty dasty. It could be on there. When do you expect? I hope it's tomorrow, bro. I hope before the weekend we get an RLUSD, man. That'd be awesome. Wells today, bad. Yeah, I mean, any well is not too bad. Chainlink thoughts? Yeah, I like Chainlink, dude. Chainlink's legit, dude. You can't deny Chainlink and what they got going on. That's for sure. If you ride your entire bag to the top, well, that's just dumb. I've done it more than once, Shane. I'll tell you that. Yeah, I've done it multiple times, dude. When Ripple announces it's live, but I mean, it's always gone back up. It's always gone back up, right? Hit the high, came back down, it's gone back up, rode it to the top, came back down, rode it up. I mean, so I've done it multiple times, and I'm still up, so I can't be too upset. I was traveling more than 3 hours to one job. Gosh, dang. Manifest the pump kids, 450 XRP. Yeah, I'm all about manifestation. Literally hundreds of thousands of Psy people in the comments in YouTube. It's insane. Oh yeah, those are just spam, dude. And the more you try to get rid of that, they come back tenfold, dude. They are like, what do you call those things? Oh my god, I just brain farted. What those things are? They're like termites, dude. That's what they are. They're like termites. Like you think you got rid of them, and boom, they come back, and there's like 1,000 more of them. So I just like, you know what, dude? I'm just gonna leave them there. They can comment all they want. I don't care. Just don't click on their links and don't listen to them. Cockroaches. That's a good one too. Cockroaches too. Termites, cockroaches aren't kind of the same thing, I guess. Maybe cockroaches probably more. Yeah, Chainlink's good. How do you though? We're watching XRP right now. It's gonna come down. Most based off this 4-hour chart, we're probably gonna have it. It's probably gonna come a little lower. Bro, my best friend is Austin, right over 6 foot, 280, with the same beard and shit blonde ginger deal. He asked me, "We've been watching. I thought you'd funny." You're like, dude, I've been watching Awesome Austin. He's like, "What? You're cheating on me with another Austin?" I thought we were best friends. That's awesome, dude. Yeah, 280. Yeah, that's a big boy right there. That's a big boy right there. That's awesome though, dude. Well, tell Austin I said what's up. Do you do ATR? I do not. Nasty, thanks so much for the 279. RLUSD is on Ledger Market, but not available yet. Okay. It's good to know, man. We could be on the verge of something, dude. Yeah, please do not buy RLUSD. Yeah, please do not buy RLUSD. It's not something we buy. What is your highest price prediction for XRP in 5 years? I'm hoping $20, bro. And if it gets better than that, then I'm even more excited. In 5 years, that's a lot. What's up, awesome, dude? I went to WSU. Oh, heck yeah, dude. I had a lot of friends with WSU, man. Would go over there all the time, dude. Greek row is quite insane. So, yeah, my niece goes there now. Damn, that's crazy. They cut our program at Fresno State years back. Yeah, that's kind of sucks, J-Lo. I think I'm behind on the chat. What's the chart at the bottom that are reading? Oh, this right here. This is the RSI. So it's talking about like, so if you're up here, that means that you're over purchased. Down here, you're under purchased. And then you got the volume down here. I just moved the volume because it was blocking everything. So I just moved it in to work with this chart right here. So, and then this right here is the volume per hour going into this bar. And then this over here is the volume going across. So yeah, so you can follow this. So we're gonna probably come down on the 4 hour. Why 4 hours instead of 1? The further you're away, the better it is. Plus, I'm trying to match it up. So right now, the 12 hour, you can see right here, the 12 hour is you can see right here, it's actually coming down to this to the 20. You got the day chart that's just coming up to the 20. You got the 4 hour that's I hope it's gonna come down and hit this 20, which is close. It's almost closer to hitting it. It was up here earlier in the stream. Now it's down to here. And then the 1 hour you can see right here is starting to come up and hit the 20. So really, when you start to get in this area, this is a positive sign for potential growth when you get between the 20 and the 80. And then if it gets over the 80, now you're overbought. So usually when it gets in here, you have a nice little positive run, whatever that is. I don't know. We'll find out. But usually that's kind of how the trend works, right? Again, we're looking at indicators. We're looking at trends. Doesn't mean that always is going to happen. but when you go to make a trade, you're going to be a little bit better with your trade than you were if you just came blindly into this. So that's really what it comes down to. And the chances are you'll most likely win more of your trades if you have more information lining up like that. So yeah. I lived in Tacoma, Washington for a minute. My wife worked in Federal Way. Well, dang, Sean. Yeah. Yeah, that's Tacoma. Yeah, Tacoma. I don't really have a whole lot to say about Tacoma. Tacoma's it's a little ghetto, bro. Yeah, it's a little on the hopefully you live in like Parkland. I'm just kidding. It's not that bad. If you live in like, off of like Ruston Way down in Tacoma by the Tacoma Dome, like down that area, that's actually a pretty good area. But yeah, that's crazy, dude. Yeah, good old area. I drive through a lot of that area. ASMR. Let's see. What do you? I'm not dating anyone. Yeah. What do you use to sell off the cold storage? Just take it back to Coinbase and sell it? Absolutely, Alex MC. That's what I would do. Or like I say, move it to a non-custodial or a hot wallet. That's what I would do. What platform you watch crypto trends on? Oh, it's on TradingView. TradingView is where I watch it. Giga Chad, yeah, dude. Richard, Giga Chad got listed on Coinbase, dude. The aroma of Tacoma, dude. Yes, we do have a Washingtonian here. Man, the aroma of Tacoma is a real thing, dude. If you drive through there at like 7 p.m. or 7 a.m., you're gonna have a tremendous smell driving through that area, dude. So we do have a true Washingtonian, Pacific Northwester in here. Good to see you. I can't say your name. I don't know how to say that. I don't want to say it wrong. Coinbase, this is the second time in a week I can't open the app. Gosh, really? Where are you? Damn, why is everyone having a hard time with Coinbase? Paper plant. Oh, yeah, the paper plant right there is rough, bro. What are your thoughts about Coldwell versus QFC accounts? I don't know if I have a whole lot to say on that, Blue Dragon. Your message me on TikTok, by the way. I did not. Did I message you back, Gray Case? Did I message you back? That's a rarity, dude. I don't message too many people back. I might have DM'd some people over there. I will admit. I did say like, oh, thank you, or someone asked me like, how do you get over to your YouTube? I think someone asked me that one. So there's one of those. So I did actually ask that. What are your thoughts on Arbitrum? Arbitrum's actually not that bad. Yeah, I had a little hard time with the Arbitrum just because of their drops, but I mean, they're a strong project for sure. I don't own any though. I'm from Wisconsin, and you definitely look like someone I went to school with. That's awesome, dude. John B. Milton, Washington. Shout out. What's up with the screen resolution blurry? Not sure why. No one has brought it up. Only on feed, YouTube, not rest of my screen. Oh, what's blurry? Is this blurry, or is what's blurry on it? Is this screen blurry? The where I see everything, or is it me? That's a good. I don't know what's blurry on it. Is it blurry? You might have to up your resolution on your thing too to go to like 1080 or. No, I don't trade memes. Really want to ride the bike up coast. Oh, that'd be cool. What wallet do you recommend? MetaMask or Ledger? Yeah, a lot of fake counts all of a sudden, dude. They keep adding. That's wild, bro. I'm sorry, dude. That's crazy. I saw all the fake counts coming through. I'm like, how are all these people making these accounts? Thoughts on Sui? I like it, dude. I like it a lot. Why do scammers promote X? Dude, I don't know why, dude. It was the ghetto. Alder Street. Oh, shoot. You were on Alder Street? Oh, my gosh. Ghetto apartments. I worked at Top Suits. Okay. Yeah, I know exactly where you were at, dude. Yeah, you were. It's okay, man. Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, man. Yes, I used to live in Tacoma too. Were you guys? Were you over here like military? Is probably a lot of military? I'm assuming. Is FRP goes to an IPO in the year 25? Don't you? I think I mean the Ripple IPO will be separate from XRP. So. No, it was a scam. Wasn't you? Okay, good. Oh, that's okay. I was like, gosh, dang. When you want to sell, move the coins from cold store to an exchange. That's what you want to do. No blur here. Okay, good. I'm glad you're not blur. Man, it's going to be a battle to get past the 233, 236. A lot of people holding here. Yeah, you can see the volume. Look at how much the volume has grown. It's grown. It's at 224. This wasn't. I don't think this was high. This was bigger than this was. So you can see the amount of volume that's coming and sitting right here, which is good because you know what that's actually creating. To be honest with you. We're creating such a great line of resistance. If this breaks through that line, you know, and goes up, we're going to create a nice little line of resistance coming back down. Like this, it'll be a good level of support, I guess is what I'm trying to say. And that's good. Northwest is the best. Lived in Ellensburg went to CWU from Bellingham. Oh, wow. Yeah, I went to CW too. I went there from 2004 to 2008. And into almost, yeah, it was like 2004 to 2008. So yeah, I love Ellensburg, man. From Bellingham, yeah. I'm surprised you didn't go to I'm surprised you didn't go to Western. Even from Bellingham, you decided to switch schools. You decided to go to the rival. Let's see here. If you do move your crypto from exchange to cold storage, do tiny amounts first. Yes, listen to Cocore here. Best advice you could possibly do. Do not move everything at once. Did you get your 2 million stronghold token? No, I did not. I did not. The only place I'm gonna have to buy it is on through Uniswap, dude, because they don't have an exchange for it. So yeah, I'll have to buy it through. If I do, I'll have to buy it through Uniswap. So I just haven't done it yet, dude. Your multicasting skills are amazing. It's hard. It's a lot different. Why are people not talking about the Doge, even though Doge government? Oh, you're talking about Doge. Good question. I don't know why. I honestly don't know why. Best Buy with limited capital. Best Buys with limited capital. You know, those are tough, dude. You know, you're probably looking in like you try to go up to like maybe the past the 50 cryptos into maybe the next 50s if you wanted to. If I had to guess, you know, without trying to go, oh shoot, did I just send someone an invite? My bad. I don't know how to, like, I didn't mean to invite you, dude. That was an accident. I don't know why that's actually going through. You don't have to, I didn't mean to invite, dude. So my bad. You can cancel that. That was an accident. I'm trying to scroll through and I invited someone. They're going to come up. Hey man, what's going on? Best thing about Western Washington is green, Eastern, khaki. How many platforms do you use to purchase crypto? Mostly just Coinbase at the time. Anyone new to crypto, just use ChatGPT to provide you with John Wick. My coworker just said that XRP. My coworker you said XRP, and she asked me and showed me her account. She has 1 million XRP. She said she bought when it first came out. Oh my god, dude, that's so she's sitting on 2 millies right now, dude. 2.5 mil. Dang. What's the possibility XRP will hit $10 when Trump gets in office? Yeah, I mean a lot better than it would be if Biden was still there. South is the best in the Northwest. We're just waiting it out right now. We're gonna wait till about you'll see it about midnight. So yes, SHX all day. Someone asked me if SHX was an ISO. I don't think it is. XRP minimum was set to the wallet account +1, but I don't care for Robinhood. But all right, I've been on here for 2.5 hours. I'm gonna go get some water in me. I forgot to bring water up here, so I've been parched this whole time. And like I said, I appreciate everyone being here. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me tonight. I streamed longer than I was going to. I always do that just because I'm having a good time with everyone here. So I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thank you guys for all the support. Thank you for all the donations and all the new A-Team members. Thank you for everyone over here on TikTok who hung out all night with me as well. And yeah, appreciate you guys a ton. A-Team strong for sure, Seiko. And we'll be back here tomorrow. I'll be on here at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, like I always am. And with all that, hope you guys have a fantastic night. If I do something with XRP, look, it's coming down right now, dude. You can see it. I told you it's going to start coming down. We're going to hit this line. It's at 232. But if we find something, I'll post something if I'm still half awake. So with all that, thank you guys so much. We're out. Peace out, everyone. Yeah. All right, everyone on TikTok, we're out. Peace out.